Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Fix it up in your school uniform properly and whatever. Sonia, put him back in. Okay. All right. We don't want nobody in a no bad dressing somebody in the classroom, right? Just so now. We're not depend on something there. All right. Turkey good. As big up yourself, you know. Okay, me see you. Ellie, stop it talking in the back of class. Stop it talking in the back of class and it's passing notes and all them something there. No Baileys tonight.
Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord.
What's up?
Listen.
Oh, go on, people. Big up on yourself, Ragashanti live in your ears. And in your yai too. Right? In your yai. People, in every culture, they have their own vernacular, you know? They have their own way of speaking and whatever. And there's some stuff there that are just like, you know, indigenous to different groups, different nations, different groups within nations, you know, they have them unique way of speaking and so forth. And Jamaica certainly is no exception in that regard. But sometimes a lot of communications is just sound. It's not a word, it's just sound. It's not a word. Now, some of these sounds are universal. Anywhere you go, them like a sound like it's not a word, you know, it's a sound. But everybody use Yeah, I'm in Arab countries and them use right? All over the Caribbean, is in agreement, right? Or if you ask like, what them write, UH. But that is universal. Everybody go like, query something, you go, what? But something, but there's a thing when me think unique to Jamaicans. You know. Again, you know, everybody have them unique sound, but as I said, we have our local unique sound them too. It's not words, and it's not universal. I'm not telling that sound with what we use. Every Jamaican use it. And probably other people in the Caribbean use it too. And it means, it can mean here or take this. Right? You remember you're talking to a nerd now, right? Raga is a geek. Remember that, right? Okay. But what sound? That's simple little sound when we use, you know. And I was thinking about it, and I'm like, is it universal? Like, and I'm like, no, it's not. It's not universal. And I'm like, yo, but you know, somebody think it was universal. But me, I think about it, I said, well, meanwhile, me not gonna hear anybody else use it. It's very simple, you know. And every Jamaican use it. I wouldn't be surprised if Sonia use it at Grenada too. I don't know, you know. And it's a sound. And it means either here or take this, right? Simple sound. What is that sound? Yeah. And here is the thing. For those of you who are linguists and you're in phonetics and so forth, it's a very specific sound, you know, right? It has a little nasal thing to it when Jamaicans do it the right way. Some Jamaicans will say E, but that is not it. It's not even that. It's not even E, right? Jamaicans don't say. Then when them do it, there is a nasality to it in a subtle way. It's E. You hear the difference? One is E, and one is I'm going to exaggerate the nasal phone here. But it's really right? So Jamaican say, man. So like when, all right, you know, like, you know, when, you know, like, you uncover somebody and you ask them for them food and you tell them, and I said, no. And then them, man, are just, right? Does it mean take this? But the translation is interesting, you know? It's like, take this, That's it, Oh, you're right, that. It's a song. It's a song. You can't really... Yeah, you can come up with approximations, but it's one of them things that, like, you know, you ever really go to like an accomplished linguist who can just give you like some ways to say, this is how you write this thing and whatever. But and again, I was like just a tad bit surprised that I thought it was universal, but then in thinking about it, man, like you have you have all these other little sounds similar to it, you know. Right? The Canadians, them love say them love say The Canadian them have them use it in some little unique Canadian way, right? And you have even in our culture, you have a sound with a sound, double up, where it's a sound. It's not a word. It's a sound. So we don't really use by itself, you know, but we use right? We use that. And that can be subdued, like suppressed. It can be as in, what's here? Yeah, what's here? Right? Which is equivalent to like queer. Yeah, another unique Jamaican. Well, you have to be careful with these about unique words, you know, because I can't tell them when we go Ghana, we learn all these things, all them things about we think are unique to Jamaican. We go Ghana, go here. So what do you mean unique? We speak that way. But anyway, so like, So like most Jamaicans, you know, hear them say by itself. But them will say but not As in, like, you go other countries and people use the in them language. Canadians, for example, like I said. But you will hear Jamaicans say As in, like, what ya? Like, kuya, what ya? Right? BBW said the Trinities do too, okay. And then we use it louder too. Like, in a kind of fun. Hey! But then when we go Ghana, they use a lot there. They use a lot there in Ghana. So I wouldn't be surprised if they say we get it from. And they use it in an interesting way too, but they use a lot of sounds. Every culture you go, them have sounds. And whatever one. But Sonia, when you use the way Jamaicans use it in a Grenada? I'm just asking, so if I sound ignorant, bear with me. I've traveled extensively, but unfortunately I haven't traveled extensively in the Caribbean. Trini Nurse said no, they don't in Trinidad. In Trinidad, right? Yeah, but I don't know why. Raga, I never know, say you're so educated, bro. All right. I'm not really educated. Yeah, I just love laugh, you know? Yeah. But anyway, no, so what I'm saying is, I just thought that for whatever reason, I don't know, sometimes we unconsciously do these things and whatever. And I just thought that was so... I knew it was colloquial, right? I knew it was localized, or, you know, that, you know, in terms of how we speak and stuff. But I just thought that everybody say And then when I started thinking about it, I said, hold up. I wouldn't hear anybody say that the way we use it, the way we use it for like take this, like hear or take this. Wanna know anybody else use that either? Anyone? Eh? And yeah. Well, you see that, all right. We have another in when we just use meaning like what? But again, there's a subtle difference there. We just do it automatically in Jamaica. But so you have as in take this, but then we have so that it's like the same but draw it a little bit. Like what you said? Like what? Asaf Ben Judah said, yeah, man, my wife from Ghana, and she used the same thing. Indeed, my brother. See it there? A general say my wife come from Ghana, and them use the them use that a lot over there, when I just said the kind of, there's a lilt there, right? So one is and one is and that is even more nasal. That go up even more in terms of the scale and the placement of the resonance, right? When I was in acting school, we were trained in using different parts of our face and thing when we speak, right? So one is and it can come from the back of the throat and thing, and it come up a little nasal. And but if you ask like what, it go up even higher. So the first one is and then the other one is so, and then the next one like what you say? What? Sounds. That's why the Rasta them, remember, when we look up between here, Rasta talk about word, sound, and what the last word them always use right there. So who know what the last word is? Let me see if you know good. What the Rasta them always saying at Jamaica? Word, sound, what's the other word? Let me see if you don't know the triumvirate of you see that boy, I'm loving you in a TamFam. I'm loving you. Power. Right? Now for the Jamaicans now not talk about speak it into being and all these things. That is exactly what the rest of them did that tell you for a long time. So be careful how you talk because, the way you speak, you're conditioning, you're unconscious, in certain patterned behavior that you don't even know that some of them things they can be self-destructive and can be suppressing of your confidence and things like that. And and it's true. And the rest of them did hip on it, That's why sometimes it sounds, ridiculous or comical and we say, God, then chat too much, man, or whatever. But it's true, man. And then, when we get older now, we see all these people, these Buddhists and them people in a temple and them do meditation, and meditation involves repeating all these words and whatever. And then now, when we reach a point where we realize you cannot unexperience an experience, right? You cannot unexperience an experience. Anything you do, it is in you forever. Just think about that. When I came in touch with that, I was just like, yo, this is very important, right? Anything you do, it's in you. You may choose not to activate it, and based on how the brain work, it cannot keep all your memories and your experiences at the forefront. It can't do it. You couldn't manage it. So the brain put things. That's what computer technology is based off, The human brain, that's what it's based off. So you have a hard drive that keeps all the information. We have a hard drive that keeps everything will happen to it in a way, But we can't remember everything like in real time. We'd go crazy with all that information. So the brain have a way where it put away some of the information and keep the information what you need right now in your memory. So when computer work, it work with the information when in a memory. That's why you have to have enough memory, you know. So that when the processor is doing the calculations, because computer technology is all about maths, it have enough memory. And if you draw for something deep, it have to go back on the hard drive and bring it up in what is called RAM, which means random access memory. And that just means we are used right now. But you know, I won't heap of something because you go through, I won't heap of something, you have a whole heap of experiences and they're all there. And that is why when some people do certain things and them go to certain therapists and whatever, the challenge and the task of the therapist is to engage you in some sort of methodology that the therapist know to have you access those deeply repressed, embedded memory that may or may not be impacting you in the present. But the point is, whatever you do, whatever you go through, it inner you. So it follows then that if whatever you experience is permanently inside of you, yeah, you need to be careful what you experience. You need to be careful what go inside of you, though. Yeah, you can't mean anything go in of you, though. Yeah, it is so important. I'm disgusting, so I joke about everything sexually. But you get the point. All right? Very, very important. Yeah, man, and when I came up on that, now I say, yo, right, I know. I'm going to start guard me experiences them, you know. And man, and I saw my Lego some people, man. Why they run some people and for them experiences is just your experiences where you have with them, it's not good. And, and some of we just make it pass or we low it up. I don't understand that. I start guard against that, you know. Start observe, say, boy, me I have experiences with you where go permanently inside of me and them experiencing are good. Then whatever me I do, no, sir. You got to go. Anyway, me kind of was haphazard there a little bit just now, but you get the sense. But but again, I was just amused that I thought that was universal, like or sound. That is universal, right? Everybody do that, right? Meaning no, everybody do that. Asaf and Judah. Yeah, I think that is universal. Is universal. But is not. I mean, you go like place like South Africa and another place and you hear some song. Them do all kind of sound and thing and whatever. It's just beautiful, amazing and thing like that. Sound. And when me come find, people, I realize that the way we say kiss teeth, but it really mean his teeth. But when me come find, me realize that people think that that's cute, you know. Like, because when we come African American, them go, like, forget you, whatever. But we in Jamaica, and we push up a lip. And when me come find, I see people that like a run joke about it. You Jamaican, do that stuff, do that stuff you all do and whatever. Wait. And some of that type of the sexual, I'm like, no, but no Jamaican I think anything sexual when them kiss them teeth. You know, when I was at Vasa, there was this guy like, yo, that's sexual, man. You know, whatever. So the guy be like, So, and you might say, how we use with lips to direct. Now, while that is true, that we do use with lips to direct, what he was referring to at that time wasn't directing. Because let me explain what did I go on that time there again. Is Jamaicans have a thing, you see, like, if somebody's up to some mischief, right? Like say somebody a chew a word on somebody and they like whatever, like say somebody over there, sir, right? And you chew a word on them, but you not call them name, right? Jamaicans will say like, yeah, who can wear thing about and whatever. Right? Like, he me attack, she me attack, or whatever. You know, Jamaican would do something like that. Or they would do it sometime to mean to bring your attention to, you know? You know, like, you know, would they run somebody and yeah, you and somebody and make contact and you go so. Meaning look there, and that is directional, of course. There's nothing sexual about that. There's nothing sexual about that. It's just directional, like look there, or he me attack, or she me attack, or whatever, you know. It's almost like a wink, you know, but it's directional sometimes, but sometimes it's not directional. And there's nothing about those two instances when we do it that is sexual. But through them used to the universal lip gesticulation, them think it's something sexual or some kiss thing. No, but then nothing. And when Jamaican kiss them teeth, is usually in, most of the time, it's in condemnation or something, or in defiance or something. I could have never do that. Or if somebody I say, why you keep on us? Man, business. Right? It's usually in disgust or in defiance or in, you know, in dismissive of something. But it is used, Jamaicans use it humorously too, of course, you know. You know, it's like, to think of an hypothetical, like an example, now, the way we, most of the time we kiss with teeth, hiss with teeth, it's in disgust or, you know, dismissing something, but there are times when it's like, why? Man, try to think of an example. We kiss with teeth for humor a lot, you know, like, it's all for me, I made it all, but when I done with her, you see, dog, my supper. You know that little weird, we do that something too, we kiss with teeth, like, you know, that kind of humorous weird, you know. Like, me say, I should have me when me did with, me say, me vex one on me, see, man. You know, in Jamaica, we hiss them teeth in those instances. But most of the time when Jamaica hiss them teeth, they might dismiss something or they're being defiant. Like who you that like? Me? You must be mad, you know? Yeah, you know, it's like, that will never happen type of thing, you know? Yeah, you realize and yeah, and you know, we're extra, you know, because the more, one thing when we were extra, we're so extra that time, no people not like we. Like our Trini nurse, the Trini them, you know, them halfway up, you know. The people them in the Eastern Caribbean, can them say Jamaican too enough and going like the whole Caribbean is both Jamaica and whatever. Yo, who remember when the big war did that go on between Jamaica and Barbados when the Jamaican them come out and I said, Rihanna is Jamaican. And these Bajans, it was the most ridiculous thing. Obviously, we all know that Rihanna is not Jamaican, right? And they got so mad about it. Them get so mad about it. And the worst thing you can do with Jamaica when time they start banting, you know, I go get upset, you know, because they not tap. Them not tap. And just for the fun night. Who remember that word? Sandra said, when was that? You never know about that? Who remember that drama that what did that go down? And Jamaicans start make all of these things and I say Rihanna is Jamaican because this, because we I say no. But Cheryl Bless says she remember, Shanae says she remember it vaguely. Daniel don't know about that. Jojo Beans, yo man, Jojo Beans, they made memes. That was what made me know about it. Like crazy memes, like a whole heap of memes. Jamaican just kept making all these memes and all of them different things as a react to prove that Rihanna is Jamaican. And the Bayesian, them may tell us, them get mad. I be a cuss, then cuss with them, dab you up, then rub you up. I can't believe someone just a year about that. Tony LaBelle's member, Christina say, yeah, they were big mad, yeah. Mel say, I remember that they even photoshopped her in high school in Jamaica. Yeah. No, people wouldn't know about that word. But they make all kind of meme. And I thought about when Rihanna mother carry her out a Jubilee. They would have beat them. Jamaica would have beat them, kill them. Them batter them, they come up with all them something and put Rihanna down a passa and she look a bit, all kind of something them come up with, a whole heap of something. And the Bayesian them just love them Rihanna. Them, y'all need to fuck off. And this and that, she never banned it. And I'm like, don't they know we're joking? You them know the Jamaican a pick on them because them I get upset. Big dirty war. And the Jamaican them just stop make this something them and I post them and them come on and y'all need to stop and this and that. Go look on the owner celebrity and Ray and this be a cussing and war and Jamaican them just do it when I say meme after meme after, it was a meme war. I can't believe you don't know about it because it went on for a while. I mean, and not like it never go like for a year, but it went on for like a good. It went on for like a good 8 months or so, man. Like 6 to 8 months, you know. Elaine said, I remember Raga. Yeah. Chantelly said she remember. Jamaica would have killed them with things, just meme after meme. Remember one of them when I say, Rihanna, like they say, Rihanna, a country carry a goat when she look at me. So see that? At Jamaica, she born. And then I show Rihanna eat ackee and saltfish and whatever. A beat thing, they would have beat them, kill them. And when them a beat them, no Jamaica, no this and that. Who no have no own, no want to take over everybody thing and so on stay. Them beat you, and so something will come on. Yes, or something when they end up and say like, yo, they be thinking that about us all this time, type of thing. Then come on to some sitting man, y'all are disgusting. When you go on like the Caribbean and soon and all you do is walk around and thief people things and know come thief Rihanna from them beat you, and the more them beat you, the more the Jamaican them did I make meme and I say, we are going to family used to go to church with Rihanna and this and that and that kill them over there. Shanae said, I wish I knew Riri perspective. Well, Riri must knew about it, but probably was just laughing or whatever because for the Jamaicans, it was just joke, you know. For the Jamaicans, it was just joke, right? But for the beige, at that time, I can't tell it, for the beige and just like, don't joke like that. That was their thing. Like, don't joke like that. Like, you don't joke about that. You don't. You know, Riri big to we, and you come here about you pretty thing I word about Riri a Jamaican and whatever. Don't do it. Yeah. I guess that would be like, you know, if somebody come and say Bob Marley is Bayesian or Bob Marley is whatever. I don't know, but even if somebody comes to say that like Bob Marley is, I don't know, Bob Marley is whatever. Me not see Jamaican react the way the Bayesian them did react, you know. Jamaican a bit, we wouldn't even argue about that because, you know, nobody can touch that, you know, type of thing. Elaine, the first time I see you in person, only a voice when I was in Jamaica. Big up yourself, Elaine, welcome. So you see some pop, don't know in favor, you know, kukumaka stick, don't. Right? It's a Raga pop, don't have favor kukumaka stick, don't. All right, Elaine, welcome to your family and think people big up on yourself, you know. My daughter is into theater. Oh God, may I tell you, say, you see, my KJ, you know, them catch them thing at school, them cool and them thing. So KJ sick. I made a post with KJ because he wasn't feeling well. So a little daddy pampering today. But my daughter, whatever KJ had, my daughter got it from him. And today was her big theater performance, you know. And they don't live with me; they live with their mother. But her mother said that when she wake up this morning, she had a burning fever, like a terrible, terrible fever. So her mother had said to her, like, yeah, we could call Miss Seneva, which is her theater teacher, and just say, you don't have to perform today. And her mother said, she said, my daughter, my little daughter, my 8-year-old daughter said, no, I have to perform. Give me the medicine. I have to perform. I have to perform. I'm going to watch her perform. I go out look at thing this afternoon and watch her perform and go out there and do her thing, you know. But, you know, parents know when them picking 100, you know. I mean, I watch her, man. Say, you know, but she hold it, you know, man. And go through and thing and whatever, and she perform and do her thing and enthusiastic and jump up and go out with her something. I mean, man, look at flowers for her and thing, and I bring it to her and whatever. And I'm bringing her, man, if I feel a little girl, bombard. She boil up, you know. So, you know, Mr. Mother said, yo, she's boiling. And she said, yeah, I'm going to tell her. And she said, yo, but she wasn't, I almost used a double negative. But she said she did half her perform. She did half her perform, you know. And man, I said, but she's really bad. I think she need to go to like the emergency room or something. And think, I said, but watch it, you know, whatever. Because me never, me she's sick, you know, but me feel, when me tell you when they pick me, I boil up, you know, man. And, you know, that's something that when you weak out, but she hold it like a G. Her mother said, I never she tell her, I said, she have to do it, just she. Because the mother said, you want me call Miss Seneva and make you, and tell her, I said, boy, you can't perform today. And she said, they said, no, you know, 68, man. I know where she get that something from, you know, but me know, she love the theater something do, you know. But I'm proud of her, man. I'm look a gangster, you see it? You know it going, you know. When you do what you have to do, you know, when everything unky do, that no count. Well, it count, right? Because we're always making choices, right? But when you do what you have to do, when all is well, that's one thing. But like Mike Tyson say, you know, who I believe is a brilliant man in his own way, if you listen to him reason. Mike Tyson said, discipline. It's simple. Discipline is doing what you're supposed to do when you don't feel like doing it at all, you know. So my little girl, I don't know when she get that, me never, you know, it's something that depending on what it is, mother tell her, I say, you know, baby girl, you know, you have to go tough it out now, you know, yeah, but of her own volition, she was just like, You know, kids are like, oh, I'm so sick and whatever, you know, them exaggerate and them go in and whatever and thing. My girl, she gangster it out, man. Yeah. You know, when you eat, you can do something that inspire you and remind you what it's all about, you know? You have to give thanks, you understand? And remember say, you know, 3 of them, and she had the last one and the only girl too, you know, the youngest one and thing. And sometimes, you know, it go when you're that girl and you have 2 bigger brother and whatever, and them only want to play Roblox and all them something, and she have to war them more time and whatever, you know? Yeah, you don't know some man a teach her certain things too, you understand? Yeah, because she don't know the road code about man, you know? Yeah, when she get older, I'm going to tell her all I think. When she reach a certain age, I'm going to tell her, I said, listen, no, I'm going to tell her the truth, you know? Your father was a boner man for a long time, so I tell you, oh man, steer. Right? Right? Right. Trini said Trini nurse said she did have 3 brother. Right? Yeah, you know that's something that's, you know, so she a grow like a thugs. Yo, cause when I tell me that, I tell her brother, I say, yo, don't lick your kind. They don't want lick her rough, you know. But she a war him, you know. And true, me tell him, say, stop, nigga, whatever. He must come. Yo, Daddy, what's up? I say, what? I can't hit her back and whatever, but she keep hitting me, man. They be hitting me, man. Daddy, you gotta talk to her and whatever. I'm gonna go to her and say, yeah, it's your brother. She say, yeah. I said, but why are you hitting your brother? He gets on my nerves sometimes and I have to knock him and whatever. Look a firecracker, man. Look a gangster, you know. Tough it out in our performance to them, man. Proud of her, you see. Yeah, I'm proud of her, man. I tell her, you know, yeah, front of me say, yo, baby girl, you handle it, you know, you handle your business today, you know. Go home, go rest, you know. Yeah, I'm proud of you, man. So we just want to big up GD Boo, you know. Big up JD Bo, who shell out her performance today and go on with the something them and thing. With a fever there. But me tell you, I touch a little girl, the little girl a bun up in a man. And roll out and rep for her thing and whatever. And if that is a indicative of her character that is coming into being, then things are looking good, right? Good night. Hello. It look like Mikey Chef, an accident you come up with a while ago. Mikey Chef. Him mute, him cut off. Him never mean for come up. It look like an accident make him come up. All right, the box opening, you know, on the forward, we don't mix up in a holiday mix up or any other mix up and thing. Mikey Chef, take down yourself. No, you see you mute yourself. So take down yourself. You take me now, take you down. You take down yourself. Because you must hear me. He probably don't even know if he take down himself. Because a lot of people them accidentally come up in, but them don't know if he take down himself. But you see, when we go over where it name there, people do remember, you know, over TamFam yard, the thing that it is either TamFam big yard or TamFam yard. Somehow I said it too long, so this easier to remember. TamFam yard. From you say TamFam yard, you don't know what it is. Over there, so you have go and just join, right? It's going to be a community, right? And eventually shows them, some of them show you I go stream over there, not over here. So you want to make sure. And by the way, the people who either subscribers or super fan over here, somehow no link me already, me soon, don't worry, me I line up for anything, all right? Because remember, say, no, I go get this thing till the end of January. For the premium members over there, right? Lakrisha, she tell her friend about the blessed Reggae can't register. No, man, everybody, what ya? 150 people register yesterday when me tell them about it. All right? Right? 150 people register. So you probably have to do something wrong, okay? I'll check on it. But just send me an email. And again, if you're a subscriber or a super fan over here, send me an email at the following email and just tell me what your subscriber or super fan name is. I am going to check it to see if it is true, and then I will put you in as a premium member over Big Yard, right? Okay? But again, you can join Big Yard free, right? You don't have to be a subscriber to go over Big Yard, right? In fact, pretty much most of the people who covered yesterday, them just took the free option, which is good, okay? And again, what is this, people? Yes, is a thing that I'm creating over there. It's a community, and it's going to be one where we're going to be free from the restraints of these social media platforms and things like that. So we're still going to stream shows over here, but we're going to stream some shows over there exclusively, and we're going to have a lot of events and activities over there. And when you're over there, if you know Facebook, you're at home over there. So you can send requests, friend requests, accept friend requests. You can form groups, join groups and things like that. You can follow people. You have your own wall, and then you have your news feed, when we call in the yard. You have your own news feed where everything come up on or whatever. We're going to have fashion show over there. We're going to have cook-off over there and thing and whatever. And finally, see Elaine food and all them something there and whatever. We're gonna play Dandy Shandy over there. How we gonna do that? I don't know. Right? We're gonna have movie night over there to our city. No, me plan I want to pass something and things, so make sure say on a juggling over the scene. TamFamYard.com. You can do TamFam Big Yard, whichever, but that long. But if you go to TamFam Yard, it will take you there. Right? Make sure. TamFamYard.com. I shorten it phone, but it's the same thing. Anyone you use, you go there. TamFamYard.com. Nifty friends, I can log in using my phone, but not from my computer. No, man, from you the one you're supposed to. Okay, there's something going on there. We see it, but you know, pretty much everybody over there them can do it from them phone or them computer and thing. All right. But from you can't get in, it all nice, man. I just do this whole thing have to get people to know about it. Then we're gonna start the activities like next month, like in a few weeks. All right. And then eventually from February 1st, we're going to have all Thursday shows over there. It's going to be streamed over there. Then by March, Tuesday and Thursday shows are going to be streamed over there. Monday and Wednesday shows going to be streamed here. All right. So are you still going to do till? What? I don't know what you're asking, Tony. Raul Blaze, February 1st, are you strong? Jamaican for Earth Strong birthday. Big up yourself, February 1st, all right? If I'm still going to do TikTok, yeah. Yeah, it's that like, TikTok have a whole heap of challenges over here. I don't even like, no, TikTok's trickier than all of them, you know. But TikTok are the thing. TikTok, man, I know, TikTok fine, you know. You know how long me I do live over YouTube and whatever. Me no know YouTube algorithm can't touch TikTok algorithm, man. Years me I do live over YouTube and me no know YouTube algorithm no reach or no. TikTok algorithm find the people and me no know and I don't want to know. I don't want to know those complexities and whatever. Me I'm not a computer programmer. But TikTok different in that regard, you know. So you have to just acknowledge the superiority of the technology and exploit it, okay? Yeah. Anyway, with the holiday Mixup or any other mix, tall, what on there? Tall her.
Hold on. Sorry.
Okay.
My car, hold on. I just wanted to say that I was so proud of you for doing this yard thing that you set up.
Yeah.
I haven't really been listening because I've been so busy.
Mm-hmm.
But when I heard yesterday, I just went in and registered today. I was like, I got to be on this one.
Can I tell you something?
Sure.
You can't do about the same something. You're
Hold on, I'm going to take it off the Bluetooth.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on.
Yeah.
It's off.
All right, you got.
You should be able to hear me better now.
No, okay. Listen to this, you know, this is important because I will never forget it. You. Check.
I'm here.
Yeah, okay. You are the very first paid subscriber over TamFam World.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, I mean,
I just wanted to support you. I'm like, I got to support this guy.
No, I appreciate it. You took an annual membership.
And this is without me even knowing anything. I just heard it yesterday.
Yeah, I know.
Late,
I know because I noticed it was done late after everybody who did a listen show do for them 1 year, one do most of this morning.
I did it this morning. Yeah, I did it
exactly. And I was just like, yeah, the first kid, and I may not ever forget that.
I've been following you for a long time, Raga. You just
me know, but
long time, and I've learned so much. And people, when they see me, like logging onto you, they're like, Raga again. I'm like, yes, Raga every time.
Give
thanks,
man. Give thanks. Indeed. Give thanks. Yeah.
All right. I'm going to be listening. I just wanted to say how proud I am of you.
Thank you. Blessings,
You
man.
got
Cool.
my support.
All right, then. Cool.
All right, talk to you later.
Give thanks. Cool.
Okay, bye-bye.
Yeah, man. Tyler, the first paid subscriber over there and whatever. I'm going to write it down there. You know, I'm an entrepreneur, right? And I'm all about fun, you know, and providing content and entertainment for people. I enjoy that. And I'm putting the infrastructure in place to deliver the content and things like that. And at the same time, simultaneously, it is indeed a business model. It's a business, right? So just like how you have these people who own Disney and them own them entertainment thing and whatever. This is my little version of that, something there, whatever, okay? And with these things, you're only as good and successful as your supporters are, obviously. So I have always been entirely grateful for those who support me and thing, and I do pay attention to landmark moments. So, you know, given that she was the first paid subscribers, because I'm in this for the long game and what I'm doing over there. Remember, you know, and that was a big yard, you know, TamFam yard. Tambourine Radio, I tell on the last night, Tambourine Radio is back up. And if you go over tambourineradio.com now, bad love it over software play over there. So that site they are finished. Ragashanti.com I go up to. And that will be exclusively my content with all kind of things, autobiography, all kind of things, comedy and all kind of things I go there. Outerorder.com, as I'm telling you, that is being finished right now. And of course, we have a lock off that to only subscribers for obvious reasons, because it's mature content. So if you go over there, there's a show upon it, just one show upon it where you can listen over outerorder.com. But that's spelled OUTAORDA.com, the original Outer Order people and things like that, see? Right? Outerorder.com, tambourineradio.com, ragashanti.com, tamfamyard.com. And there's going to be one more. What do I say? And those are all separate from tamfamtravel.com, which is my travel club. We're going to Ghana in April, and we're going to Thailand in December, and we have a line of Panama and some other places too. Okay. And still do immigration law, even though I want to have fun while I'm working, but I still do immigration law. So eventually I'm going to put up an immigration law site also, okay? I'm doing what I love, right? With your support. And the goal is to put infrastructure in place and then provide compelling content for you to say, yo, when I enjoy this thing, and to create a community, particularly over Big Yard, which will be the center of TamFam world, okay? All right, so the things them still are built now, but they're up enough for start check them out, all right? All right. Yeah, evoking, yeah, no worry, none. All of that I take care of, yeah? No, but you see, basically, I create my own version of that, you know? If you go to tamfamworld.com, you're going to see all of them there. If you go to tamfamworld.com, you're going to see all of them there, okay? So we'll just flesh out everything right now and think. I'm so excited about this, and y'all are journeying with me, and I'm really grateful for that. I think big up for myself and things, see? I mean, Sonia.
What happened? Yes.
Yes?
Me they go make some tea. What is time for what? What me miss?
What you mean when you miss?
Because me just say nobody's time from world business. Me doesn't miss nothing, but how me just say this?
You don't know about that?
No. Well, you know me subscribe still because I was shocked.
What you mean? What happened? What you mean shocked with what?
I hear you just talking about this time from world.
Oh, so
And he said, go over there and subscribe. And I'm like, lady, subscribe is me. You know me don't miss a subscription.
right,
And how
right.
come me not...
Right. No, man, no. Yesterday the spirit moved me to tell them about it and say, you know, so we still clean up certain things and whatever and I work on certain things and things. But I tell them, man, and back about 200 people go over there and register yesterday and thing and whatever. So.
What? I don't go over there. So yeah, man. Me to this.
Yeah, no, man, no only people beat you, man. No only people beat you.
Already, but
hold on, remember
no, you. No, I fell asleep early yesterday.
Hold on. No. Let me just remind you. You are already a subscriber over here or a super fan. So what you would do, Sonia, just send me an email at admin@tamfamworld.com. You and anybody else.
How can I decide to go through? Okay,
yeah, no. At tamfamworld.com. Admin at tamfamworld.com and say, Raga, this is Sonia, the Grenadian Wonder, and this is my name as a super fan or subscriber of you, whatever. Then I'm going to make you a premium member of TamFam World, okay?
So all that I have to say?
No, I'm joking. Like, I don't know what you want there, man. You send it that thing, we're good, man. All right? See?
Because I was surprised. I said, let me call Raga quick and ask you about this subscription thing, because I never heard of it.
You don't have to subscribe to go over there, do you know?
No, I know.
Okay.
But you just go over there, and if you want to
you can go over there,
subscribe.
Yeah, you have to.
Okay.
Free, you just come here. But if you want to subscribe, you subscribe.
Christina, send that thing in my inbox for me, please. Thank you. That admin TamFam World, because my brain can remember that. Christina, inbox me, lover.
Yeah, what you say you want in your inbox?
Christina, me a chat to send the admin email for me, please.
I never understand what you say, because you say you want the thing in your inbox.
Raga, you know, say, listen to me. Me not tonight, me just come here to ask. What? Listen, me not come I come to ask about the
That's what I'm saying. I'm just saying, me just didn't want you to clarify what you say. Me never hear clearly what you say. That's all it is. Hi.
Nothing to it with you today.
What's up, my friend? Why go on, my friend?
I'm here. Hey, Raga, me they grow back the locks. Oh my gosh, I'm going right back into the locks.
Yeah, grow back your locks?
Yeah. So we come by hairdresser today.
Yeah, but what prompted this?
Cause I just cut it and give it a break, and now I just want it back.
Yeah,
I started with a short hair, so I want back my locks again.
Yeah, because you know Caribbean men, them sometimes they love whole year, you know. Yeah.
You know,
I'm just saying, Caribbean men have a thing when they love whole year sometimes, you know.
Well, but I go to grow the hair on my front then.
No, I want to hear that. Here front now, we're again. Here front now, we're again. That done. Rasta front now, we're again. That not
well,
look
if
good
I'm going back locks, I could grow
Natty dread pum. Natty dread pum. Now we're again. That done. No man no dead it, so. No man no dead it, so.
Thanks, Christine.
Right? Even
to me.
All young Rasta, even young Rasta who says Selassie to the core and say Natty dread and whatever. Even them, the old one them still. The old Rasta them the one the woman and cut the ear off of them front. You know, you didn't know that.
Listen to me. Since I'm going back the locks.
Did you know that? Did you know that?
What I do?
The big man Rasta them, the 50-year-old Rasta them and them man them the one the woman them cut shave.
No. Well, since I'm going back the one and me here the locks and me here, I could go back the other one. And
No. We
natty
are,
front. We don't call it Rasta front. We call it natty.
We are all for people being who they want to be. We're all for people being yourself and manifest your truth and honesty and whatever.
But that's my truth. But
hold on. But there's some things, and we're all for people saying, stick to your Caribbean roots, stick to your Grenadian roots, stick to your Jamaican roots as much as you want. But some things are off the table. Ear front, now we're again. Cut it out. A shaving, I do it right now. And if you can't shave, cut it low and thing. Put a look at design, all a heart on it and thing like that. If you want to put on something to them, one of them are nice. Do what you do. But the Rasta front, The natty dread chun chun and them something there, not working anymore. We the men will put our foot with that. And somehow the man out there, when I go around the thing, right? Sometimes when I come up on some bushy thing and whatever, I want to have the discipline and say, you know some want that thing and whatever, but you never shave and things. So this not gonna happen here. This not gonna happen today. Right? I even go shave it for her. There's very few things more sexy than when you shave a woman front for you. Hey, that nice. Is this Sonia you ever try that? Sonia. How was Sonia gone? What the hell? How were you go?
Ginger tea man chow.
How were you go a while ago?
I was in the kitchen and the phone unplugging here.
Voila, you dried for real. You dried for real ginger or you use ginger tea bag?
No, you know the instant tea. That is what the instant
tea bag.
You know you have the packet.
Tea bag.
Yeah, you just open the packet and you drop it and they call it instant. Just a
tea bag.
It's sweet, too sweet sometimes.
Just a tea bag. Yeah, well I know. I think you did a dried for real ginger.
No, I don't have time for that. I don't have the little, because you see when you buy the little ginger, the strongest ginger that we have in the Caribbean, that is one I like. I don't like those big old soggy ginger.
No. Even me, you know that the big, you see anything where big and pretty, it not good up here. If the carrot big and pretty and glue and whatever, it not good. Are the ugly stay bad jaga carrot them are them they are the real carrot. The ginger them, you see the little ginger them where look squiggly and crush up and look at them they are the bad ginger here. At them they are like them, so them they are old foods. Them big pretty fat ginger them don't good. Them big pretty fat ginger them coming like Canadian sort out. Just big and so and worthless.
So since me crush up on me thing are good. Right? So what you saying?
We have a little problem with it. We have a little problem with you though. Because you talk about you want to grow back here by your front. Son, this is serious, you know. Don't even joke about them something there, you know.
Me not joke, is you who laughing right now?
Don't joke about them something. No. Sonia, right now, if you go back here by your front, don't talk to me anymore. I don't want to talk to you.
You will always be my friend here.
No. Sonia, this is such a big deal that Sonia, man. Somehow no how much of them. You know how much of them ear the cut up man body over the years. I would not tell you.
I wouldn't know. My hair is I have mixed front here.
What you mean? When you say you have Negro ear and coolie ear down there, though.
Yeah, I have mixed front here.
Mixed front here. All right.
The front here, me front mix. So you don't cut it nobody.
Blessed I say Raga. Oh, yeah, I gonna know. Shall I go tell me?
Of course, Raga is my friend, so I go tell him.
Well, yes, you're the mix up, though. Yes, I wish you can do. Yeah, I wish you can. Yeah, man. I saw. Yeah, man. I'm glad she come out with it, though. Because next thing you know, when me go say, me stop talk to Sonia, can't hear it up on her front. She go say, him see it, though. Yeah.
You know how them TamFam for you.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? The man assume the worst. Yeah, and whatever. So,
but if you come into TamFam and you don't know how TamFam run, you're not a TamFam.
Well, that's the thing. Well, no, yeah, people come and them humble themselves and them figure out how we do things over here.
Well, you said don't run. You remember back in the day when they used to remix people? TamFam is terrible.
They're terrible them time. But no, sometimes you have some people come in and as them come in, them start pass judgment and them don't know how things work over here. You understand?
Yeah, and they go up in them feelings and all kind of nonsense.
Yeah.
And they don't even know how the thing run. Yeah.
But Sonia, don't do it though. You grow back your locks on your head, but just go and shave your front, you know?
I don't shave, I just steam and wax, I tell you. No shave.
What do you mean steam?
You go to the salon and you get your pokey steam. You get steam, you shave, you do all these good things.
No, I know about shaving and waxing, but what is steam?
You go there and then they plug in the thing and they massage and they
No, but why
steam
you
and
steam
all.
your front? Why? I understand if you
Because
steam
it
your
feels
face.
nice and clean. Hello? Front to steam.
But what the steaming at the front do? That what me not do. Wait, let me see. Let me look in at Yoni steam raga. You sit over the steam.
Yeah, or you lay down and they put a hot towel on you when they finish wax you, and then they have a steaming thing that they pass
Sandra,
over.
don't you look what Sandra put? Sandra says steam fish.
With okra.
With okra, no, I must have snapped at
Yeah.
No, all right.
When you steam, you go get steam. Like when you wax, they put the hot towel and they have an electrical thing.
I understand that, but you just seem to suggest that steaming is a thing by itself. Like, you know, you can't just get your chune steam for some reason. Like,
no, I don't like just to get it steamed. So I'd like to go when I wax and get steam, so it feels much nicer and softer.
oh well. In other words, like steaming is a part of the waxing.
Well, if some people want to just steam, they could just go get steam. But I like to wax and steam.
So women go and just get them chun steam just by itself.
Yeah, just like how you go and get facial, you get pussy steam thing.
No, but I know the facial, it clean your pores and whatever. Hold on. Why you do? Hold on. Some woman have blackheads, but them pum pum forget it steam, so them no want a blackheads come up. So it go.
Yeah, but if you're shaving, some people just cannot shave and they get razor bump, and it causes blackhead, and because they're allergic to the razor, just like how men are allergic to razor on their face.
Yes, it's somebody, and it Racha.
Yeah.
That person just happened to name steam fish and okra body. See, and she said it helps with hair bumps. Oh, okay.
Yeah, and it keep away. Yeah, and it keep away the
hold on. So somebody says sweet like sugar. Say it removes odor, especially after your menstrual. You see, that is what I was asking.
No. Menstruation is a different thing. Like, okay, when you know what they say when you go and you clean out and you steam after menstruation, it cleans you out. But that's a different thing. Like if you go and you wax and then they have a package now and you get steam and you get massage and they massage your sides and you know.
When I'm doing the massage the side of your chun.
Yes. When they what's wrong with you?
So when you go these places, them massage the side of your chun, them give a massage by your pum pum.
I will stop telling you my business.
No.
Yes, they come and they all right. When you're going to get wax.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
When they finish wax you, they put a hot towel over your chun, right? And then they have an electric thing that they go it bring out steam, so they go massage your whole chun with it. Right?
An electric thing.
Yeah, they plug it in and they have a steam. They have a steam coming out of it, and then they massage around your, you know. Well, I mean, cannot explain.
No, I've actually seen women get wax and thing and hot towel upon them thing and whatever. In the past, I've carried women to get it and you know, me see it and whatever. I sit down and watch it. But what I'm saying is, some understand the
and
wet
then the
towel.
come out nice and smooth and soft when you wash it, and you feel nice when you wash it.
Oh, for real, no, it come out nice and smooth and soft. And clean and pure
and clean,
and cleanse from the inside.
And then
you know?
the hair take longer to grow. That is why me not the pokey taking so forever.
And I would imagine that the toxins are extracted from in night time, whatever. But
and it make your pokey smell nice, you know.
Oh, I say dog bite would appreciate that.
Yeah, because dog might eat all kind of sin things. So
no, don't say that about my friend. Don't say that about my friend. Him don't eat all kind of sin things. He eats, but it's not all kind of sin things. So, you know, he would appreciate.
But Raga, just how you clean your body, your whole body need to clean. You know, you just can't just wash thing. Everything has to just be nice and clean, and you know you can play hard
So
girl and
wait, so
you're
hold on.
walking along.
So the women who do the steaming, then they have an advantage over the women who don't, correct?
I don't know. I wouldn't say so. Everybody to each his own.
No, but what me I say? All right, to steam is generally better than to not steam. Is that correct? Just asking. Is that correct?
And you asking and I'm listening.
No,
Don't
I'm saying.
Don't try to pull that out of me.
No, me not. No. Son, if me a juggle, me not pull nothing in you. Me more like if I push something in you. But when me I say.
That me say that's why me a steam.
No, you know what me I say? All things being equal, is it generally better for a woman to steam than to not steam?
Maybe it's generally for them to steam if they could afford it.
We're not talking about don't talk about affordability. I'm just saying, all things being equal, if every woman could have steam, that would be a good thing. That would be a good thing.
That would have been good.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. In other words, you can't go wrong with a juju steam. You can't go wrong with a juju steam. Shouldn't that don't apply to men though, for obvious reasons, right?
I don't know if men want to go steam their body, they could steam it.
For what? We can understand.
You know, like okay,
hold
you know,
on,
women
hold
love.
on,
All right.
hold on,
Okay,
hold on. The topography, right? The geography of the woman's genitalia is such that, given the complex turns and precipices and, you know, all kinds of hills and valleys that constitute those internal makeup, I can understand how steaming, sending up hot steam up there to penetrate those areas, give it that steam can wheel its way up. I can see where that benefit the chun. How that gonna benefit body?
No, because here why? Because all right, when you know some men love shave, women love man with clean body.
Yeah,
right?
that
Body.
Yeah, that is a thing lately, yeah, the woman them, yeah, I saw them there.
Right. And then when you go, if you want some men, just how women are allergic to the razor, men are allergic to the razor too down there. And they give them bump like they face, so they could go and wax.
Now from what I hear, not as much, because most men no shave anyway, so it's not an issue.
Not really an issue, but the men and them have clean body though. And want woman to go down on them, they need to steam and shave and wax the body. They're here for the summer.
Men need to steam, shave, and wax them body?
No, I said the men them what want women to go down on their body need to steam and wax.
I understand that. Over the years of doing these type of mature content type of thing, it has been a constant complaint from the women that them have a problem with man with sour body and rancid body and thing and all these things and whatever and So women are always complaining about that. And the lady them say them man they quick for one fling it in on them mouth. And them things. So I get that. So you are saying that men should all right, let me back up a little bit. Yeah, is it? Cause you know I'm very open in saying no woman for shave. Is it that thing out there where women in general prefer a shaved tool?
I think so. Yeah, women prefer shaved tool.
Ladies, do you prefer a shaved tool? Sweet like sugar, yes. Trimmed, I do, yes. Clean and shave, it look good, yes. Yo, a beer shave, yo.
Of course, because when it's up my shave, you see the whole eye.
Wait, like when you say that with an emphasis. No, sir. You say, you say that with an emphasis, man. Yes. So when you shave and you see the whole like that nice, no. Turn your door. Oh.
You see what you're walking with it, and you take it or you don't take it.
Yeah. No ear, no eye, nothing, no eye, the base and all them things, they know.
Exactly. You want to see everything.
Yeah, and that's
You
a
know, say me
turn
never
on.
come here for that. I come here to ask about TamFam.com.
Yeah, but you know me, I'm just disgusting, so you know.
Me just come to pass through to ask one question. You have me sitting down about who should shave pokey and who body need to shave. Dog bite.
Yeah. What dog bite in I chat?
Dog bite need to shave. Yeah, he did have a chat. He need to shave him body. He tell
Dog
me
bite not in I chat. Him not in I chat.
Yes,
see low there. See low in there. See low in there. When me know say see low shave, me know see low shave. Me know see low shave.
Craig
She
Ton need
shave.
to shave. Also,
Who?
Craig Ton.
Craig Ton need for shave.
Yeah.
Also dog bite. The dog bite saying clean, so it look like he shave. Dog look like dog bite shave. Now for the record,
dog bite need to bring dog bite need to bring it tool to the vet.
No, for the record, I shave.
Well, you should, Raga.
Yeah, I shave.
Stand up, let me see something. Stand up, let me see.
Stand up, like you see what?
Me just want to see.
You're not gonna see nothing. I have on very baggy clothes. I can't stand up, I can see I have on baggy clothes. So you're not gonna see nothing.
Oh, you could stand up today. You see, when you wear the joggers, them you don't standing up.
Yeah.
If when you wear the joggers, you don't standing up.
No, if I sweat pants, no stand up.
You sit down there for the whole night.
There's a proper baggy pants. You see, yeah, man.
Exactly.
So, yeah, man. You get to stand up tonight.
So you go stand.
No?
Yeah, you go stand up.
No, you get to stand up tonight because I know so when I stand up, I not go stand up. Get it?
Oh, of course I get it.
Yes.
Of course I got it.
Yeah.
I don't receive it, but I got it.
Hold on. If I sweat pants, no stand up now, one.
No.
Yeah.
No stand up.
Okay, that you know.
Pendulum must swing from left to right. Me don't know what we're measuring, but it must swing.
Whatever, man. Whatever, man. So what you know when Jamaican man I said like them a load boss and them said like to a front. You know about that something? Eh?
To a front.
Alright, no worry.
Wait, to a front by the driver.
Yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, you don't know about that something. Don't worry about it.
No.
Yeah.
But we can't take to a front. Keep it down a yard. Keep it to a front.
Oi.
Keep it down there. Keep it down there.
But Sonia, so let me tell you now. So TamFam World, right?
Right.
The center of TamFam World is going to be TamFam Yard or TamFam Big Yard, right? So you have that site. Okay. And if you're familiar with Facebook, then you're going to do it. And that is going to be a community, right? And when you're over there, you can follow people, like people thing, whatever, send friend requests, farm groups, do the same thing that we end up on Facebook, but that's going to be our community. We're going to set up a local center piece that we're going to call the square, we call it the stadium or something or whatever, and we're going to have shows there, we're going to do things there, we're going to have cook-offs there, we're going to have modeling competition, we're going to have talent thing like me I got done and Marcia good as and thing, I come back and thing, you see, she done more at the end of the clash and whatever, I come back and shell her. So all kind of things that are going over there. But of course, I can't tell you what going to happen over there too, you know. It's because once you have community, you gotta have groups, you gotta have people who them spirit and take that one day, you gotta have people that send friend requests and things. People are gonna meet people and be listen to me, you know what going on over there?
Me don't want to meet nobody that I already meet. You see what?
No, but let me tell you something.
Listen to me.
Me I tell you from now. All right, people, it's tamfamyard.com or tamfambigyard.com. Anyone, you put in the good. You know, just go over there and join, right? And you don't have to pay to join. If you want to subscribe, but you don't have to pay to join. But let me tell you, enough things are going on over there, you know, Sonia. You know,
you're
people
telling me, TamFam, we talking about, you know.
You know, say people are going to go on with jokings over there.
Of course, people going to
remember, you know, you can talk privately, you know, you can message privately over there and send video. And here when we put over there. Here when we put over there too.
Don't message me, please.
No, man. Here when we put over there. You know, so you can make audio call and video call over there too. Ina, big
privately?
Privately?
Where you are, say?
No, man, it thing set,
Over there,
man.
go on at the
Yes, man. No, man. Yeah. So you're going to hear people are call people over big yard and then it's going to have mostly Caribbean and Jamaican people over there. So you know what that mean. I be a thing that go
you know what
on.
does happen when those sitting. Hey, you know what does happen when them something go.
And that more.
I can't wait.
And that more happen. Because when that go on, you know, the prick you go turn up, you know, because you got people that come out. You got people that come out in the yard and throw a word pan people, and then people are going to read it, the news feed. Because in the yard, people are reading and say, one she, you know, oh, she had throw a word pan over here, so whatever, this and that. It go nice, man. It go
Remember
nice.
back in the day when they used to fight over the selector, them?
You know, video sex are gonna go on and all them, some of the private thing are gonna go on, you know, and then you can form groups too, you know. So you know people are gonna form groups and go on with them things in a group.
You know me don't like private groups.
You don't like private group?
I don't like it.
No, it's a good thing. No, private group is a good thing.
No, I don't like it.
Why you don't like it? Why?
Too much drama does then private group. Then no, me don't like. Don't add me in no group. Me don't like group.
Private group
is too much a mix up and drama. Me don't like it.
No, private group good. Private group good.
No, too much, because then that person in the group don't like this one and that one, and then everybody, and then they go behind other people back and join up and talk about people and
no. But listen, you can go in. Hold on, over there, over Big Yard, over TamFam.com. You can go in a group and come out a group. You can form a group and fling somebody out of the group.
And they just leave. I don't like groups.
Okay, well that's how you, cause you don't do groups. You've never been in an orgy?
No, I don't do groups.
Okay. You've never been in an orgy?
You know. You know, what are doing in orgy?
You know, like that, the answer they never come out real strong, you know.
We can try to meds it what you really mean before opening my mouth. Because wait,
what is there to mention about that question? That question was a complicated.
Because I'm trying to figure orgy. If I have the only orgy I do is when I lie down on the people in bed.
When you what? when you didn't under the people in bed?
That's when me lie down on the people.
But that is not an orgy.
What's the orgy? Yo, me lost.
You don't know what an orgy is?
No.
Okay. An orgy is when an orgy is when a group of people are having sort out, and it's a whole group of people there. That's the basic definition of an orgy.
So everybody having orgasm at the same time?
Well, no one is hard. No, we could get into this because you know what is interesting? One day I was explaining to a lady that you can have an exclusive partner in an orgy. And she was saying, then that is not an orgy. And I'm like, no, you cannot. There are a lot of people who go to orgy and only do it with one person. And for some reason, you have these people who believe that once you say orgy, is like 20 people there, everybody I do everybody, right? Which can be the case. But Sonia, did you know you have a whole bunch of places? Them they are Toronto too, them enough down here in New York, but they're quiet, them silent, and you have to know how to go there and thing and whatever, where you can go and whole heap of people in there have sex and them have them rules. Did you know that?
I heard of that. I don't know. I heard.
Yeah, man, them there over here and I sit
so that's what so that is what they call orgy.
No. An orgy by definition is group sex.
Sex.
Right.
Everybody do everybody.
No. That is the thing. People think that most people who know what an orgy is think that everybody I do everybody, and that is what the orgy is. But what I'm trying to tell you is that you have orgies where one person, I said, no, this is not a group to me. Only want to Sharon, I only want to Mikey or whatever, whoever them I do.
But everybody sees everybody.
But you're in there do it with one person and 20 other people over there do for them thing too.
And everybody didn't want to remember?
Yeah, that is the idea. But the orgy, everybody in a one big room.
And then they hear when you come and they hear when you say ouch, ouch, ouch.
Oh, you mean? Yeah, man. So yeah, when body a sting you and thing that you ball out everybody, but nobody not care. Cause when you're in the origin, nobody not really pay nobody not attention and thing like that. From what I have read about these things.
No, Sammy, don't want.
Eh? You couldn't manage that.
No.
Yo, let me tell you something.
Have you been to it? The way you have read, you read about it though.
No, let me tell you two things that happened to me. Me did in a one play a Vasa, right? And when come, I love acting. And me did not play and whatever, but there's a ritual there and rule there where me never know. So after the big performance now and whatever and thing, me and everybody else say, yo, all right, so see you later at the golf course. See you later at the golf. Me say everybody else say, see you later at the golf course and thing. So me I say, what you mean? And I'm say, no man, after the show them we always have a party up at the golf course. So I say, for real? And I'm say, yeah. So I'm saying later after the show, another hours, you just come up at a golf course. We always party up at a golf course. The actors, the stage hands, the backstage crew, everybody, the director, everybody, and thing. So I say, oh, all right, then, cool. When we done and whatever. So when the play done and thing and whatever, and cause me was a lead actor too, I think, whatever. I'm a shell it down, whatever. You see it? Go over my damn beard, put on my clothes and go up at the golf course. When me go up at the golf course, Sonia, the amount of cocky we are through all about, who are bunks it pan, who side up and thing. But what
you shock?
No, but this is the scene though. It's like all these people having sex. But then there's a whole heap of other people who just sit on naked and just read it to and be like, yeah, and thing like that. I don't know what
on the golf course?
You pan the golf. This a night though,
Oh.
It's a night, after the play, But what I'm saying though, it was the scene. Don't just think like everybody going crazy. A lot of people having sex. But there was a lot of other people, them just sit on naked and and smoke a cigarette and a drink. And them now watch the people who have sex,
Oh, did you? Oh.
So it's the point I'm making, it was like nothing to them. It was like nothing to them. So I process the thing quick and whatever. I'm like, what the hell is going on here, whatever. So when we come out now, them look for me like, Kingsley, you have clothes on. What's up? I was like, we never know what I want to do. Never. So them never tell you. I said, nobody never tell me. So hear them no. No, don't worry about it. Take off your clothes. All right, don't worry about it. You're good now. Take off your clothes and thing. Take off clothes. I don't think so. Mr.
Can you imagine when they see you big long tool as a black man? Hey, why, baby man?
Okay. Moving right along. So know me well yes. I U-turn and I go, Kingsley, where you going? And thing and whatever. So the director now, him thinks him offend me. So he must say, no, sorry, I don't know, but remember him naked now, I run come over now if you apologize to me, but him I run come over to me naked. So it's like he must say, oh no, wait, I didn't mean to offend. Wait, Kingsley came out. So this naked man, the director, run come over to a fellow student, but the director, smart guy and everything. Run come over. I said, no, we're good, man. Stay away there. We're good.
As a black man, as a Jamaican man, a naked man coming over.
Oh, you're right. Yeah. I would. Well, no, there was a couple other black, two other black people there. But what I'm saying, there is this culture amongst them where nakedness and sex, for them, it's just the big deal where people are put on it. It's like nothing to them.
Yeah, to some people, yeah.
It's
But
like no.
still.
Remember me telling you, you have. Remember say you have whole heap of people that have sex, and you have whole heap of people who not have sex, but them nah. It's not a thing to even look for the people who have sex. It's like I wonder if you understand what I try to explain to you.
Maybe like a nudist kind of thing.
No, yeah,
It's a whole have nude.
no, I'm gonna get to the second thing. So whole heap of people that have sex in the corner, backers are chewing, laying up and eat things and whatever.
Already blood.
And all of the people who have sex, them couldn't even care less about what them do. It's like nothing to them. That was what was weird to me. I was already shocked with the people having sex, but it was the other people who just nonchalant and like them just a drink and attack. Somebody with there drink and attack. Somebody behind them a shell out something and thing, and a person and I look on them or whatever. It was the weirdest thing. Then what I know this now. So one time now, I did on outside broadcast a Negril. And anytime you go on outside broadcast and put you up a hotel. So me there one hotel, I think a Grand Lido, it didn't name one of them hotel there, Negril or whatever. All right, you see low, she love it. She body see. Anyway, so no say some reach over there the night now and thing and whatever and go up in my room and hold me look asleep and thing and whatever. So the next day, I hold a shower and go no, they're Negril and them. So I come down the stairs, and when I come down the stairs, I go so boom and be like, what? And I just say a whole heap, because them have them look a bar on the beach and whatever. So when I come down, I can't see one I bar them over there, And everybody naked. And them just have reason and attack and whatever. And everybody naked and whatever. So me freeze on the beat, me freeze on the stairs. And me just start go back and I call the desk and I say, I want me there. And she said, what you mean when you're there in the hotel? So I said, but I think a mistake was made. And then so what? I said, this is a nude. And they said, oh, then put you on the nude side. So it looked like them have one side whenever nude, And me say, yeah.
Okay.
Me dey on the nude side. Oh, you don't want to be on the nude side? No. Don't have to be on the nude side.
So I hope they change you.
Yeah, man, they change. No, it was a Edo,
God.
Edo is known for that. But that one, I think it named Grand Lido. Them have one on them are the same people, the East of them own it, but I want different name. Everybody know Edo. Because Edo Bossy Freaking is from Okan. We little bit of thing. Edo Bossy Freaking.
When it comes to my private parts, I'm very private with it.
Yeah.
No, my good outside, so.
No. Me can't manage them.
It's too much for me to absorb.
The most me ever do a threesome. I mean, I regret the threesome. Them did nice. But outside of that, it can't be a foursome. or a 10-some. Or a 20-some. It can't be, me not join that something. I have to leave that
to number 3.
Me have to leave that to people like you,
Me? No, sir. Me can't do them something there.
You and Greatness do them something there, and Christina.
A decent. I really like you,
Shanae. And I don't know if Sandra.
Don't mix me.
And Tina might hide and do it. But watch out. Who's gonna say Angie from Canada. Troublemaker Angie say, oh, RG nice raga. I say Dog Bite said Delmarine do it. The two Dog Bite would know.
Yeah, Delmarine freaky. So
you can't say Delmarine.
But she might,
Wait, you think Delmarine freaky? You think Delmarine freaky?
She Christina the Holy
No, I know some I know some of them sneak. So yeah, cause the quiet one them I don't want to look like them can't mash. But you really believe Delmarine know even she know anything freaky? You think Delmarine? You think Delmarine start out no? What you think? What you think?
Where we go? Let's do a ratio between 1 and 10. I'll give her 5.
You get Delmarine at 5.
Right.
No, I give her a 2.5.
Jesus. Is that bad? You stick it on you, Del.
That is just a guess. It's just a guess. I guess. Craig Tan said she bad and whatever. Dog Boy says she's at 10.
How you know?
Dog Boy says she's at 10. Dog Boy said Delmarine at 10. Me give her a 2.5. Delmarine one of them women who look like who think she know what she do, but I be a fat she do. You know them people who full of who, you know, like them think they know what they do, but I be a, she just strike me as that type of person they who think she know what she do, and then I be a idiot think she do. You know? Yeah. But that is just my guess though. And a 5 you give her. Dog Bite give her a 10. A 5 you give her.
Of course Dog Bite gonna give her 10. Of course. Of course, Dog Bite don't give her 10, Raga.
Me no know. Delmarine strike me like she
give
good
her
like
5 still.
So what you get Christina?
Christina is a freak. I give her 10.
You get Christina a freak, you get her a 10.
Yeah.
Where you get Munchie? Where you get Munchie?
Munchie's another freak. I give her 10 too.
You give Munchie 10?
Mm-hmm.
And Christina 10?
Yeah.
You get all of them ANC women a 10?
No. I just the Christina is a freak and Munchie is a freak. You could see it written all over their face. And Tasha, she getting 1.5.
No, we're not talking about Tasha. We're not talking about Tasha with these things.
She part of the ANC. And Tasha
we don't talk about Tasha with these things. We don't talk about Tasha with these things.
We don't. Okay.
No, we don't. We don't. Okay.
All right. That is subtract she.
That is my rule. We don't talk about Tasha with these things. Okay. Dog by saying give Navlet 7.
No, I'm giving up that 3 because all when she's at SDC, I give her 3 because you know the knees kind of, you know.
Yeah,
like,
no. Navlet lose her point from when she go try the straight foot backers and then go feel and mash up her thing.
Remember she think she couldn't, she mash up the leg and all these
things. So mash up her leg and whatever, pick up thing when she can't manage her. Yeah, because Navlet they didn't want 8, you know, like a 8, you know, and thing. And after the straight foot backer, she drop a 3.
After the backer, she dropped down to 3.
She drop a 3, she drop a man and thing. Where you get Daniel? Daniel look like she got 8.5. When me and I see him, as I 8, me give her, you know.
I still see.
Yeah.
Give Daniel half.
Me get Daniel and 8 and thing. Where you get Kimberly? Yeah.
As a Canadian sister, I give Kimberly.
Kimberly no they are Canada.
Oh, that Kim. Which one of them they are Canada?
Wait, Kimberly are Canada. Kimberly no they are Canada.
Like, I thought Kimberly was Canadian. Kimberly.
No, Kimberly no they are Canada.
Oh,
Angie.
So.
Remember, say Angie they are Canada.
Oh, Angie.
Yeah.
Angie at Canada. Angie go get 10 as she's a Canadian. Kimberly go get 3. That's...
No, Angie get 1.2. No, she be gone over 1. She get gone over 1 little bit. 1.2. And that Angie from Canada get 1.2. No, but I get Daniel 8. But you see Daniel have a thing more time where you can't really go so boom right here. Wait.
Why the live restricted for 10 minutes?
You see it too?
TikTok. Yeah.
You see what I'm telling you?
Well,
but you get that all the way?
No, that's the first time I see it.
Your live visibility is restricted for 10 minutes. No, your live is not eligible for recommendation and restricted in search results for the next 10 minutes because Sonia does not comply with our community guidelines. A restriction will be removed.
Oh, what me do?
Once they are disconnected. Reason. The reason is harassment and bullying.
Somebody trying to report the live.
No, I not think of anybody a report. You think so? No, I think it's an algorithm.
Yeah, I was about to say the algorithm full of crap about
the algorithm. Yeah, the algorithm just like whatever. Just
so because we
the people.
No, because we the you know why? People. Yeah. Because we don't giving people ratio about the pop.
No. But this is what me I tell you why the algorithm is is ridiculous. Well, you ever listen Rosalie and Candy and them and hear them over there? You ever hear what's she name again? What's she name again? Yeah, Pretty Donna. You ever listen to them and wanna and the candidate they algorithm not do them nothing over there. And so sitting when them say me with my
me if you tell you
somebody think they want me hear them say I'm out, you know.
I mean, you can't even take them on sometimes. Sometimes I find me just on over. I can't take them on over there.
Yeah. No, that's what you said. That's why a so TamFam yard I got turn up, a so big yard I got go on. You understand that me can't.
Well, I will just be a subscriber and a listener.
Wholly part of that thing TikTok go on with me just get used to it now. So me know. Yeah. What somebody says because she's saying Canadian. What you mean she's saying Canadian? Look at me, I mean be Canadians every day. So that Kimberly said them things somebody report you.
Of course somebody try to report me. That's what I'm saying.
Really? For what?
Me and no.
Why them gonna report
me doesn't
you?
trouble people, so I don't understand why they want to report me. Me don't do nobody nothing.
Now me know when somebody did go on with some foolishness in our group, what dear?
Yeah, and then I've been reporting the live 24/7 every time.
Yeah, him did it. Yeah,
so maybe him did a report. Someone that trying to report.
Me don't know, but at that time, him did a report the live. But we did that talk about him.
Of course he been reporting the live, Raga. Somebody always reporting live. So when the live sticking, he been sticking on my end a lot. And they've been reporting it. And I keep saying they've been reporting it live, so you don't have to type in the F1. Whatever that means.
Well, we don't want anything to be sticking in your end a lot, so.
Yo, we can stand that man.
I'm just saying, but what you just said a while ago, it means that you don't like it. You were saying that, right? You said it was sticking in your end a lot and you don't like it and you're upset, correct? What did I hear incorrectly?
No, you heard it.
That is what you said. You said somebody been doing this and that and whatever, and it been sticking in your end a lot, and you don't like it, right? What did I do?
You know, sir.
What did I do?
Not a thing.
I'm simply concurring with what you're saying. That's all. You're a little bit upset.
Me come over here for one thing, and you see how long me turn here, so.
All right then, cool. May I bring in Marcia now? Cause Marcia says she have something for sure. So I want to see if her finger on her toe them.
When did that make the nice cake the other day? That cake was looking so good.
Marcia cake down. Marcia cake down.
Oh, it's Marcia. Oh, Marcia, the cake looking
Marcia,
good.
Marcia, they make some black cake and thing. And the type of cake.
Yeah, it look good. So black cake had to look
yeah, man.
firm and nice.
Yeah. Look what?
So cake had to look
okay.
firm.
Yeah, man, at the time.
You know some black cake, how when you cut it, it's crumbsy. When you cut black cake, you don't have crumbs that's supposed to fall out.
Yeah, me like it when it's moist. It must moist.
Yeah, moist and it's all right. Not when you cut it and it's scattered all over the place. They're not black cake.
Melt in your mouth.
And that.
Yeah. Oh, things are melting. Before you go though, you never tell me about Kimberly. Rate Kimberly, man. Great before you go. Quick, Kimberly.
Oh, Kimberly. Didn't we rate Kimberly and she said leave her alone? So
no, but rate her.
Kimberly.
A 5 you give her.
No, I did give Kimberly, and then after they said we restricted our nonsense.
Oh, okay.
So that's why.
Well, dog by give Kimberly a 2.5.
That's why you're not supposed to rate nobody because you don't have number for you. We don't have number for you, not even 0.
Wait. No, you can't. You can't, my friend. So when you say that we are dog by terribly, not even 0 good female thing. You got it at minus though. Dog by them say my -6. Yeah, -6, -9. And that's it. They say the dog by -6.
No, we don't even do that number for dog by. We
can't believe you beat the general. So no, that cool. That bad still.
He love beat people, you see. He love beat people.
No, Sonny, that tough still, you know. It's just like, yo, where you dog by on the sort out scale? You know, so John him don't even deserve a number, not even 0.
Somebody just come out. He just come out of the terrible.
Yeah, beat my brethren, man. I can't believe you do that. Dark bite, Jackie, a minus. I minus in a dark bite. The -6 or -9. All right, now say a word here, my friend.
Cold as Edmonton.
All right.
Minus him I get. He like Edmonton and Calgary and Winnipeg. Minus below 0
free,
degrees.
yeah. Everything minus up there, so yeah. All right, my friend, big up yourself here.
Yes.
But well on, I know why you're vexed, but I know so the whole time you talk to you know about an underwear. So you know put on underwear before you go to your bed.
You know, I have to wear. No, it's okay. Don't put my business out there. Yes, tonight I'm wearing underwear because of certain reasons.
All right, leave it right. We understand, but in general, you don't. Eh?
No.
Okay, all right. We understand. All right, big up yourself.
So, but
right.
for the past couple of days, I've been wearing underwear.
Yeah,
so
keep it on. Keep it on. Keep it on.
And when you're underwear too much, you scratch. Yeah.
It's grand. All right, let's say a word, man. Bless up here.
Too much of heaviness under they bringing down. You know what? Bye. Take me down. Take me down. Me not get into it. Bye.
No, but me say, what you throw a word for Elaine for? What that for? What you throw a word for Elaine for?
Listen to me that time, you know.
Yeah, but
no time.
What you throw a word for Elaine for? What Elaine do you?
Love you too, Carol.
All right, boo.
All right, cool. Later. Bless up TamFam, and we going over the big yard.
Yeah, TamFamYard.com. Just go over there right now and sign up. All right.
Thank you, Christina.
Blessings.
Bye, everybody.
Cool. All right, cool.
Yeah.
Oh, well then. Sadia, what? 1 second, Marcia. 1 second. Sadia, wait. Turn off me in the background. Marcia, you turn it off.
Marcia? Yeah.
I'm hearing me in the background.
Yeah, hear you?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me see. Hold on.
Yeah, about something where I run the show. Sadia! Oh, you never have to bring something, come give me. Sadia! Anyway, big up yourself here. Sadia large up and thing and whatever, but somebody give something for give me and he's like, you know what, come bring it, come give me and thing. What you there, pan? Anyway, Marcia, what going?
Better now?
Yeah, me not hear it now. I saw me, you did run the show up on probably your TV or something.
No, for me thing there.
Hold on. Janet Stewart, go over TamFamYard.com, TamFamYard.com and sign up here. TamFamYard.com. Our more diva put Google for, don't send the people them wide, man. But the lady ask where you sign up and you tell her Google, why you do that? What she do that for? More that diva, what you do that for? Man, we fling you out the chat, you know. And don't send me people them wide when them want to sign up here.
I'll put you in an exam.
Yeah. Yeah, man, go to TamFamYard.com or TamFamBigYard.com, whichever one you go to see. TamFamYard.com, that is on this, and you sign up, yeah? No, Lacroix said if she Google the name, it give the link. But you know have a Google the name. Yeah, break up in a Marcia. Marcia, when I hear you, you break up. We don't even hear you right now.
Me say me pay me bill, so no me. I pay I bill, so no I.
Okay. So what going in the night? Yeah, me hear you now. What you have for sure right now? You buy new lingerie?
No, you know, no, that's one lotion more and I'm going to call you ask if you can buy me some lotion. Somebody asked me since I take my lotion on my foot. I would Daniel?
No, me, no.
Daniel asked me lotion on my foot, but me tell her, you me a wait pan.
No, darling, just say the word, man. I get your lotion and whatever. I love lotion, woman, when they don't be a twist. I love them something there, you know.
Thank you.
But that wouldn't
Thank
apply
you.
to you
Thank
because,
you. All right, now
like,
me
hold
say me not
on,
even put the camera.
hold on. That wouldn't apply to you because, as when me just say, me love lotion, woman, when them done beard, give it a you no beard, it not apply to you. Hello?
So me not beard.
Well, you see that
You say me not beard?
Well, I go, you see that cutie. You say me not beard. You say me not beard.
To the way how me love beard, me say me waste water.
Yeah, don't it? The way you love beard and say you waste water, don't.
Yes, sir. Them say I want fish. One man tell me one time say I want fish in the ocean name answer.
See.
Come on, always in the water.
Yeah, Kayalas in the water.
Dog bite. You're negative. I want a dog bite. You're -0. Don't play with me.
Dog bite say you're not beard. Yeah, dog bite say.
Dog bite
So,
-0.
So what you have there today, I know, Tracy? My master, you have anything
I'm
to show?
I'm going to be and eat dinner.
What? So you have your food there now? Bring up your food. Bring up your food.
You can't condone me for my food.
No, bring up your food. We want to see food.
So if you see food, you have to send the request and maybe accept it for the camera. Here we go again.
Every night.
Yes, Raga.
Well, all right, hold on. When Juice Media and Teddy Bear come up, you hear them say them have to send requests?
No, because you send them without they ask.
No, because I didn't. Them just come on whatever and we see it and we bring them up.
Okay.
You don't. All right. Put it this way.
I said I lied. Never mind.
All right. So you know there. You can just go live, show your camera upon what you want to do in your thing. It's your choice. After you do that, me make you big.
Sir. Yes, sir.
All right. So you know how to do that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Do it now.
I am.
Now watch.
There you go.
Let me see if you know how to do it.
And don't come for me knife set.
No. She thinks she do it. She not do it.
Don't. Yes, I did. Oh, I didn't.
We're not seeing it.
Oh, you're not?
All right. When Juice Media do it, just do it and me see it.
Hold on, Raga. You done me so wait now?
See, come on, thank you. Lie. Jesus.
When I have to take time with me, no, Jesus Christ, take time.
Oh my God. Oh my, you're an evil
and don't
woman.
come with a purple knife set, please, Anton.
No, you are an evil woman. You're evil.
How comes?
Oh God.
How come? Hold on, make you see fish them. Hold on,
that looks so friggin' good.
Hold on, the Ragas. The fish, the snapper them. They stop playing with me, yeah?
Wait, they bring them up. Let me see them. Jeez, hold on, Marcia.
Hold on, let me take off the clothes off of that one here. Hold on.
Where do you take off your clothes?
I take off some of your clothes off of the fish. Move your blouse and skirt for me.
Okay, I'm just ask, man.
See the Raga, you know what?
Jesus. No, hold on. Go down in a fish there, like, go down in a fish there a little bit there for me. Like, what?
See there, down in there.
No. Yes,
you want to come down the fish, Raga?
Hold on, right, there's a skin out the part. No, go back. Listen to me, man. Go back. Go back down there. Lift up the part there, open the part there. We want to see inside.
No, me not open on your foot.
No, I'm serious. I want to see inside of the fish.
Which one? Yes, sir?
No, go
this
back.
One?
Me not seeing it. Yeah, in this. Oh, in the look goodie. No, me not lie. Your fish look good and your fish look good.
And wait there, see when I eat the fish with this. Stop playing with me.
Jesus. Oh my God. Why this woman do this to me night, man? Why this woman do? No. If me jump on a plane now for come down to Atlanta, it's like you wait and listen to me.
Me not wait, Raga. Me can't leave the door open.
No, so cool, man. Go back over to the fish then. Go back over to. Hey, you see, like I'm woolly pass something. That me like when Jamaican make escovite fish and put them woolly pass something.
Me like enough something for me something.
Yeah, enough something for you something. Well, on, you have the sauce there too. That sauce they want.
Yeah, man, it in there. Put some funny, but me not put all like I don't really like when it get soggy.
No, all right, but, what is in that sauce what Jamaicans make for escovite fish would make it taste so good? I want to put in, I know vinegar in it, but what else in
vinegar?
Yeah, the vinegar. And really, the only liquid you put in there really vinegar. You put the pepper and the onion and the carrot.
Well, that thing that when the thing is just vinegar alone.
Vinegar, yeah, that's it.
That liquid will come with escovite fish is just vinegar alone.
But once you put the pepper and the onions in there and they infuse all of that, then it gives it a different taste.
Give it that. Well, somebody said the pimento. Well, yeah.
I put pimento is in there. Yeah, I do put pimento in there. Yeah.
Yeah, Simski said look at sugar. Sugar for going
no,
in the
you must be mad. Hey girl, go on. You can't cook. What kind of sugar in a escovite sauce?
Beat her. She named Simski.
Come and beat your bad.
Beat
no
her.
Sugar.
Butter that. More sugar.
No sugar for the thing. Not that sugar around here. Everything will put sugar in her.
In Simski, you can't come with natural sweetness. You have to come with sugar sweetness. I want
and then something here. No, Raga, we never get to see the other night.
Yeah, I want him.
Sorry.
Oh, yeah. All right, well on. Go down to the top. You see that buckle up on the right. Go down to the top. Let me see how the frat look. Go down to
this one?
Yeah, go down pan it. Go down pan it.
Go down pan thing.
Go back no man.
No, I said that go down pan nothing.
Listen to me no man. Just behave yourself and go down pan the thing.
Me the panny, Raga.
Yeah, that look nice. Yeah, that frat.
All right, and then the other night, me just show you something really come never package. Can you think of some thing around here? I never package and label me things them yet, so now they are.
What ya?
Yes, sir.
So you have the gizzarda, all right. Where you so you have gizzarda there, so, and then you have the drops there, so coconut drops. Then you have the grater cake. Then you have the what?
Come upside down. No, sorry.
When you have coconut tart. What
Christina call it coconut.
No, what I used to call that at Jamaica. When they used to call
that's exactly what it was called.
That is the only name they used to call a tart there?
Unless you talk about planting, you have different kind of tarts.
Planting tart. I wonder. Yes.
That's different. No.
Well on. Don't planting tart more common when we are growing down coconut tart.
Yes.
Because me never know about coconut tart really. Me know about planting tart.
The planting one was more common,
Yeah, planting tart. Well, you know how long time you Jesus God, you know, say I carry back whatever this and that. And long, say somebody ask you if you ship the Nola. Wait, am I Nola that? Wait,
Nola. Yes, I do. Actually, I just shipped something today.
Hold on. I wish Nola that. Nola, I gonna want Nola this. See, Justine want to know if you ship that too.
Actually, yes. So just to let you know, I actually just shipped something to a TamFam today and one yesterday, the other day too.
All right, well, I could go back to it tart now. Make we look on the little party there. Go back to it tart. Okay, yeah, that look good. And you package your thing them nice. And what are there is two gizzard you have there?
Yeah.
Okay, so you know a peanut cake there.
No, I mean run out of labels. I gotta make some.
No, see peanut cake there.
Yeah, but I don't have any labels.
Hold on, go down on the peanut cake. I want to say something with the it's set in nice sugar. Oh yeah, it's set good.
It's set good like ice in a freezer. What do you?
No, and the peanut them have the right color. Some people are make peanut cake and them not have the brown there, you know. That other look a tan brown color there. Some people have some pale peanut on them peanut
and
cake.
Then some of them too dark. The coconut supposed
and then some of them too dark. Yeah, some of them too dark and whatever. You have the right color. Look like you know what you do, man. I did. Because you did sound baffan for true, but obviously you're not. No, you did sound baffan, but obviously. Well, are you sure? I know one of your relatives make them like Delmarine. Like,
I mean one living in my house.
Okay. You know what Delmarine did do, right?
Where she had the one that ride the thing there?
Yeah, she had the one to ride the hog. I love it. Oh, Dalmarine. Oh, you mean I should run a ride the thing there? I should have ride. I don't. She see him one. But here when I say, you know, I said Dalmarine run out one time and sure we have done bad food, you know. I think over Facebook she did roll out, you know, some bad food and people are real.
I never she cooking.
Well, I know one day, you know, she have a relative. She gonna bring her relative, right? And then the relative go ball out, say, yeah, the food them want to see. Well, light gone to
What? No
oh,
light,
what
no
you,
gun. Come here.
okay.
What I do? What I do?
No, I'm here that this for say a while ago. I
I
say,
told me to
yo,
put on it.
me
I
think say
told me to
light
put on it.
gone. Me
I
think
told me
say
to put on it.
come say you there with your boss and sitting there, you know, pay you.
I can't pay me like this, no.
Yeah, I can't bother, you know. So,
Oh,
well,
Raga.
Marcia, well, so, you know, say our friend, our relative, I think it was our niece come on, and the niece say, yeah, the food that she put on is me cook it, right? Our own relative come out and make we know, and then Del Marino, I try see her face, I come and chat, but I help to season it. Remember, she don't tell us how she cook it, you know.
She cook it down.
As she cook it and thing, that's why you can't trust the ANC woman, them no dear. And time when it come to cooking, and think them are wicked, right?
My God.
Yes. Them are culinary wicked. Yeah.
Culinary wicked.
Yeah, them are culinary wicked. Them culinary wicked.
Raga, you miss it, the cake they put in them the other day. You miss the put in them the other day because I did have to do it Sunday because I can't, you can't hold on for me Sunday.
Well, I know, but put it back. Cause dog bite the link me and say him never get for watch a show. And from when my hear him say him with a bite off some of your pudding. So show him back your pudding and when.
No, me ship them out already. I can't go.
No, me just say one. No, show me the cake, the black.
No, that was a cake. That was
show me. Go down on the cake there, look at me. You see people, they say they look at moistness, you can't see it. It's no OD, it's no wetty and plaka. And at the same time, well, go back now, man. And at the same time, it's not too dry. It's not too dry. Me know someone love the dry one.
No, not the dry around here.
Yeah, but me like, you see that right now?
One next one there, right there.
Listen to me, man. I would have just sink my teeth in that time. When you see when I eat that now, I just roll it on my tongue and I twirl it. Hold on. Me I eat that now, I roll it on my tongue and I twirl it and I take my time and just, you know.
My God. But Raga, they put in them over TikTok, but me couldn't somebody order one. So when me make it like, hopefully me can make it, because I figure I work on something. So hopefully me can make it like, so me can show you, like make it maybe tomorrow night. All
right. Now worry yourself, man. Entire ready, because I remember say I had enough of them something you ever go on with over big yard.
All the ice cream is supposed to make tonight, but time run out for me, so we have to go this one.
See, the one little time you give them both a roll, they put it on your tongue and watch him.
Raga, let me tell you. Oh, Mr. Somebody
you read tonight. Raga, so you eat whatever bad Indian and thing. You see them, then just want the door work.
Mr. Samuel, if people say them want to order Raga, on message me. Just message me.
Just give a message her. Right?
Yeah, send me a message. Send me a private message on TikTok, and I will respond.
And she will respond to you. All right, big up yourself, you know, boy. And your nice, clean kitchen. Your kitchen clean again. So we give credit.
But we can't get some food. We can't get some food, though. See, kitchen, we can't get some food because you know they put them now.
No, we already know so your kitchen cleaner than your foot.
Oh, and look. Come Raga, when you come, you have things to drink too.
Jesus, oh, well, I'm gonna come. No, go back over to the white Hennessy there. See that my thing.
All right. When you come, I got here.
Cause that's smooth. Let me see what else you have there.
So I got that in Puerto Rico. So I went to the Bacardi factory when I went to Puerto Rico.
Then we are not Walano. So if somebody drink that, they might drink you.
Oh, if somebody drink that, they might go dead. Because me not drink it. That's a souvenir.
But if somebody were to drink that, they might drink you.
Yes, because I mean I bottle.
Because it's near Marcia, though.
Absolutely. And this came from, you know where this come from, right?
Rum Palmera. ¿De dónde es? Aruba, okay.
That's beer rum. And then this, you must know where this come from.
Mama Juana.
Everybody know Mama Juana.
Mama Juana. What
if you've ever
been Bahamas, which one?
No, if you've ever been here, that means you never go there before because you've ever been here. No, Punta Cana.
Oh, okay. Now I'm going to Punta Cana.
Somebody said, yeah, as you let off a plane, I'm going to give you Mama Juana.
Mama wanna, oh, no, me go to Punta Cana several times.
And then this one came from, see, oh shit, something dropped. They spell their rum like this. You know where this came from? Oh, it's right there anyways.
Topper's rum.
It's right there. Right there. You can't read.
Don't bright yourself, little girl. Don't bright yourself. Okay.
That one came from St. Martin.
St. Martin, okay.
And then I bought this wine in Italy.
I bet. Make we see.
Italy.
What?
Something drop, Raga. Something drop. Hold on there. One of my liquor then drop back there. So, yeah. And then.
I want to see what I want the name, man. I go back down to that one, man. Go back down to the Italian one, man. Lift it up a little bit.
Lift up the back up?
Yeah.
Don't stress me, sir.
Kaka fart, you can't know, so you're not used to it. Hold on.
And then I need a bigger thing, Raga. Because these are my collectibles.
Oh, wait, hold on. Say that again.
I need a bigger thing. Body and everything.
I just never hear what you say. Hi.
I'm sure. So whenever I go anywhere, I collect stuff, okay? I collect shot glasses, magnets, coffee mugs, keychains. But this thing I get too small, so things depend upon each other. So I'm gonna have to get something bigger.
No, you have to get something bigger. You have to get something bigger for true and thing.
Yeah.
So when we come down there, I can't go over there, so I go help myself.
You can't help yourself, you have. Why? I know somebody.
You're not for work. I'm not going to drink Marcia.
Yeah, you have to drink Marcia, because that's a no. It's a deal or no deal.
What you say? What, I have to drink Marcia?
Yes, man, deal or no deal.
You're bright, I'm not go your yard, you're lucky. We're not drinking Marcia. Okay, a Bacardi and drinking Marcia, you're lucky.
And you can have some Douce.
Yeah, well.
In some Patron, we can make margaritas.
Why the black American them love the Douce? So what's about it make them love it?
I don't know.
They love Douce, bad.
I don't know. And you can sit here and eat, Raga.
Let me see your table. Go back to your table. Go down on the table. Let me see. What kind of text? Oh, something I make. Your table look nice, no?
Why, thank you.
Jesus, that's your place. But your place look nice. And that table there, that table there, I'm going to say something about, nobody reading to it. But that table there look like a quality wood you have in there, so.
But I like quality wood, Raga.
You like quality wood?
Yeah.
Okay. No, the table look like it at an strong, firm, like them. Yeah. Look like what she named the IKEA table,
What?
It look, yeah.
Oh, I got IKEA, I got my table. Talk up to things.
Nothing wrong with that. I'm just saying it don't look like FR1. Miss what she named there. Yeah.
Wait. Somebody said, what a consuming substance featured in this live could harm your health.
Who do that? Who
No, I saw more TikTok. I'm a food them at.
Yo, TikTok is too much. It come up on your phone. What I'm saying?
Look here. It said consuming substances featured in this live could harm your health. Maybe a delica. I don't know. Only love someone.
No, but you said here's the thing.
Somebody said don't show the alcohol. Maybe I that.
TikTok is too much, man.
That me said to maybe I the drinks. Yeah.
All right. No,
but yes, Raga, I is there. When you come, you can't have your fish and your festival, and you can't have white any. All
right. Anytime I come down there, I make you know of us so that make you cook up a storm and sit and whatever. And thing and we have a video it so that if me left your house and drop down, people know how me didn't near my yard. So we need
for video. I'm weak though. Raga, me a message you come here sitting no and say something.
Okay, no problem.
Right?
All right, let's say a word, man. Cool.
Yeah, man. But anybody who want reach me, just send me a message over upon my TikTok.
All right, let's say a word, man. Cool.
All right, thanks, Raga.
You're welcome, man. Blessing.
All right, bye-bye.
All right, let me see what me do right. So me need for wait name the first one. No. Let me did I try. Okay, here we go. And then me do this. Okay, cool. Night Rider, so Marcia sound like in cousin. Consuming substances featured in this live could harm your health, man. TikTok is just like, all right, people, you don't know, say me I work on a solution to them something, so no one yourself, man, all right? All right, okay. Okay. We're there. You know some hungry? I just bring up somebody, but they're not coming. Yeah, man, my peckish in the night still, you know. Man, as I say, comfy fish. No, I don't chew my seafood. I just me eat this morning and thing and work all day, and on Wednesdays are daddy day for me, you know. Wednesdays are the kids them, you know, and thing, you know, because certain things and thing and whatever. So Wednesdays are busy day for me, you know. When I feel like eat, I'm not heavy. Also, the whole on that see, Shanae said, why is there a disclaimer on the live? No, TikTok I do it. That's a tick. Hey, TikTok, nothing, no. TikTok does in everything and just extra. And then at the same time, you know what is ironic? Me go go into some advice right now. And usually I just give advice, and if you don't want to take it. But me I tell you, say, you better listen to the advice and like proper and take it. My advice to you is, don't go over in a TikTok shop too often. Lately, anytime I go over in a TikTok shop, I always see something where me that say like, Jano, you know, say, could I use this? This look useful. Yo, TikTok shop no easy, you know. I don't know what them have over there. TikTok shop I run Amazon there, you know. TikTok them have some products over there, you know. Hey, you be careful how you look over there, man, because you're liable to see something and say, no, something need to buy this, man. See that? It's true. Shopping over there very often. Tassa, me too, Raga, Chrissy T said them have everything. Sir Jojo said, Raga, you buy things and put it down until you need it. Daniel, I'm always buying from TikTok. Now, man, you have to be careful over TikTok, man. All things beautiful. Catch me today. Shamika, Addicted. Angela Benjamin, Butterbean, me too. Eyelash, me too. Lacquers, me afraid for buy. Me tell you, nah, me have control myself. Me I said, no. Me kind of ease them off and thing. I'm going to be honest with you. Me end up buy couple things. Not a big enough, but you end up still buying whatever. And then put on. And then when I look on them, I say, me I do the same thing when me always beat the woman them for, you know. Cause I don't know, me always beat you know, say, go shop, and excited about that shop, and then go put on the sitting them and use them and no wear them and whatever. No, this are not clothes, but still. Yeah, man, I have to catch myself, man, and say, all right, Bill. It's a one thing with me, you know, I know when me wrong, you know, I know when me I go low, you know. You understand? So the jacket you have on, you buy it over there, Carl Hill. First of all, I don't have no jacket. And if you are claffy, never say come so kuno muno. And you don't know, this look like jacket to you. Eh? This look like jacket to you. All right. Anyway. Big up yourself, though. No, this never buy a TikTok. This not buy a TikTok. It's by Amazon. Right? Yeah. Me no ram to buy things on Amazon. Gemini don't have TikTok shop in Canada. Oh, you don't have the shop up the Panfuno app. Oh, yeah, some country no allow some things, you know. Even on Amazon. What we see over here on Amazon and what them see over Canada, you know. Them say a whole heap of different things. Enough things we see here where them not see. You buy from Amazon Hall, our name, so. Capricorn girl said TikTok shop now in Jamaica too. What? Oh, for real? Oh, okay. Never know that. Meeting the shop did there everywhere, but when I make me know something, I know I think the TikTok shop did there. But people in America don't have to be careful when you go over TikTok shop, man. Because when you go over there, you always say something where you say, no, sir, this interesting and thing. And you say, true, TikTok is all about making that money. They might have some people over there, them do a TikTok set up, you can sell the product them, you know. So you have a whole heap of people so they make for them money, you know. You can pick which product you want to sell off of TikTok, you know. And make your video and sell them and you get your commission. And then you have some people that for them full-time business that, you know. Yeah, man, for sell the product them from TikTok, get them cut and all them. TikTok no play with that something there, you know. Lisa, you say echoing, right? All right, Lisa, looking at chat now, if you see anybody else, I say echoing. All right, Lisa. And that I want to do. Before you come in at the chat and say something, I want to look in the chat and see if anybody has said what you want to say, right? Because when you come in the chat and I say something, you basically I say something wrong over there and not on your side. When you do them something, okay? So I'm just suggesting to you guys, when it's something wrong, before you go in at the chat, go say so and so. Just look in at the chat and say, I mean, I see nobody say nothing about this thing here, you know. Right? And 440 odd people there, nobody say nothing about it in the chat. Okay? So Lisa, it's almost a guarantee. Unless your Urshipai wicked do. You see your Urshipai start bantana. You hear what Urshipai say? Lisa have something a echo. Jesus Christ. Lisa, don't make Urshipai style you so and thing. Move to Urshipai, them out tired about you have something a echo. Lisa, where you could have an echo so? Lisa. And you know a regular thing that when Jamaican them a cuss one another and thing and then tell them which part of them a echo. Lisa, no, I would take that so Lisa. I not take that so no, sir. Lisa, where you there? Lisa, I not take that so at party. Lisa Urshipai out there, I forgot this. So. Lisa, move to Urshipai. Move to Urshipai, Lisa. Both your echo. I want them know about you, Lisa. Jesus. Okay. God. Well, I should probably Raga stop boost side. Wait. Oh. Hold on, let me see something. Oh. Well, Lisa gone. So Lisa, come on, man. Where are you? You have to, Lisa, we're ramp rough over here. Here, Lisa. We're ramp rough over here.
No close, Raga.
What's up, meaty?
You hear how she bright? I ask you can't read, and she don't know if you turn her camera.
Yes, Elaine, move to her right here. Okay, Lisa, I see you. Big up yourself, boo-boo. Move to her right away here, Elaine. Move to her right away, yes. Yeah. Yeah, go on, ta.
She not easy at all. Go learn to turn your camera, go practice by your phone because me feel say me I did the slowest one per Raga show, but you beat me.
Yeah. So when you say, Elaine, your thing more modern than Fiar thing because she don't even know if you use phone, though.
Exactly. She know how to use the phone, but she don't know how to turn the camera.
No, but that means she don't know how to use the phone.
Request.
No, she don't.
She can send. That's all she can do. Send request and jump up in a box and don't know how to turn the camera.
Yeah, beat out her nastiness and bright enough come style you. When you know them something they like nothing, you can turn camera in a second. Okay. All right. Yeah.
Raga.
Yeah.
Again. Let me tell you something. You have enough money now. I said, whoa, the girl here, man, her swag good. And you see when you sort her out, her swag not ready. You see, and every food will look good, taste good. More time you put it in your mouth and you have to go so, and this me pay for. You better me did go buy one patty because me know patty taste. Patty always taste that way there.
But one line you know how Marcia touches, you know. So you know what Marcia gonna say right now, you know. You see she come with her negativity again. After me show me food them and whatever, she come and I say, you know, Marcia not do well with bantaning, you know, when it come to them something there, you know. Okay. So you know, say Marcia gonna say, Jesus God, why that woman here try bring me down? You understand? Right?
Me have broad back. No, thick skin.
Suppose I say somebody sipping the haterade. Are you that, you know? You're a hater. Yeah, you sip the haterade. Yeah.
Raga, me just encourage you about something, Raga.
Yeah.
And everything look good, taste good. So you're trying to buy that book, no flight for reach a people yard. You might regret it.
I tell me, I'm not go down a Marcia yard go eat no food.
You hear what me say?
Why me not go Marcia yard go eat no food?
Raga, don't talk to you. And everything look good, taste good.
No, me agree with that. But why?
Between the line.
Me know say everything look good, taste good. Dog bite knows that too. Right? Right? Dog bites, he things fat up in a such and such, and then him go eat it and it never tastes good. But when I say, then I eat. But when I say is, but why you advise me not to go Marcia house go eat food? Me need for know.
Raga, me never call Marcia near me no. Me just tell her certain
No,
things.
but Marcia is the only person me tell since the day me go come down her yard and go eat food and thing. And she has show me food. And I made
that. And me people me hear you tell say you come out in yard go eat food.
Me,
not tonight. All the time.
People.
All the time.
People. I mean you come for tonight, no? I mean you come for tonight, no?
You not read between the lines.
No, but the line not there for read. I straight up your talk.
That you say if you can't read.
No, nothing for them to read between the line. I straight up sitting here and say, nothing there for read between the line. What you just say at the straight line.
Don't waste your time and go Marcia, yeah. That's all me everything.
But what?
And you might regret it.
You might regret it.
And you see the sauce pan the fish, only the damn sauce tastes good.
Well, what you have against Marcia? What you take on Marcia for? What you have against Marcia? I want to know.
Me not have nothing against her. Me just love when she cuss.
no, but what you take on Marcia for? No, but why? No, when you beat Marcia so left, right, and center, no, and thing. How Marcia do?
Rotten fruits, blood. Rotten fruits, Elaine. Rotten fruits, what do you want your fruits? Them rotten. No come for me unless me send for you. Let them for me. Rotten fruits. Do we how you run? To the way how you run, come over here. You never pray that drop. Remember say you're right breadfruit, and if you drop, you go splatter. Watch it. Hello. I cool with the cool there that you have piece. Show me a cool on the piece and me a press button. It's not a press button. Let me tell you something. Nobody now fi boot me up. I'm one in my house. Nobody now boots me up. Elaine. Somebody do a tap. Turn on your camera, please. Turn on your camera.
Me need a kid right now.
Me no business. We want with a business. Turn on your camera. Elaine, rotten fruit, Elaine, turn on your camera.
So Elaine,
you run out of blazer, come over here, fire. Where your blazer?
Well, Elaine, so your fruit, then which one are your fruit right now? Where your banana?
The whole apple? Fruit them rotten. She have 25 man and still not have nothing. The whole fruit them rotten.
No, Elaine, no, but not like Elaine, she have punchline tonight. She say you come in like ripe breadfruit, because you know ripe breadfruit drop, plop, plop, and just spread out so and thing. And
I know she run and come over here, I mean, that Fred Fear, I say, suppose she drop.
Yeah, the way
she run, come over here.
The way she run
fast. Real like she a fire, she a blaze and come over here.
So Elaine, you can't talk,
yeah, blaze and no, me shock her because she thinks me a press button. I shock her, Raga.
Well, no, Marcia, you have to talk up look louder, Elaine, because you look like you make Marcia call you down, man. You have to, Elaine, what you say?
Marcia can't call. No, me just listen to her and me out her out with water.
No, are you ever get out? Are you ever get out because you blaze? Come over here like say you're on fire.
You say you're out, she blaze and you're out.
No, she blaze, no. Are you blaze? Come over here like on fire, like wood fire, so you're gonna get out. You understand? She blaze, come over here like wood fire, she gonna get out. You wood fire? Where your blaze go?
Elaine, I want me. Yeah, oh, you're not talk.
Right.
No, man. Somebody have to put Elaine in her place. Elaine too bright.
Oh, okay.
It's full time. Somebody put you in your place. Go sit in a corner and don't come out till I call you the pan time out.
No, Elaine, you get done tonight.
Okay? So you hear me I tell you, say rotten fruits. You only look good when you look good. My friend say you a lumber shop because you not stop take wood. Do not come to me unless you send for you.
No.
You know, see me a chill and I home by myself and I take in everybody. I want to run and come for me so everybody I come. You know say I only pound no want come for.
Yeah.
Make sure go and read out our scripts. Me allow her make sure read out our scripts.
Read out my scripts.
Right down when they sitting there in a right.
Right down one. Me just never ready for you yet. Tonight me ready for you because me notice say you come for me hard from the other day. You understand? Every time you come talk about my food, I know me not see you post one food. When we say we are going to cook up, you start back, so you cook early. Girl, bring the food.
Marcia, you're slow. You're coming like the pipe. Them want drip.
That's okay. And that's okay. But Elaine, you slower than me. You're coming like the yellow bus. Anybody who live a fire know what the yellow bus is. Me don't make you know what the yellow bus is. Don't play with me. Elaine, don't ramp with me.
Yellow bus, Elaine, answer.
Do not ramp with me. I'm going to tell you this one more time. Do not come for me unless me send for you. No, go sit in a corner. Who else want to get dead? Who else want to run up and get done up?
Hold them, Marcia, hold them.
Who else want to run up and get done up?
Who else want to run up and get done up?
Who else want to run up and come get done up?
Yeah.
Christina,
where you there?
No, leave Christina alone. Christina, my dog. No, nobody with that.
No, Marcia, you're going good tonight. Credit, give credit
is due. But you know them, I make them done. Maybe not take no more done-ins.
Yes. Yeah, them outside. Them
outside. But you know more, Raga. You know what? You see, through them stay, then come and then cuss and then go on. I mean, after nothing, me just sit back and humble. You understand? Them things that me a press button. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. So next time, think before you act, Elaine. Don't come for me unless I send for you.
Exactly.
Yeah, after right too.
Yeah, what? But what you do over in that corner, Elaine? You really gone over. But Elaine, you really gone over in that corner for true, man. Oh God.
Which corner?
You in that corner, cause we can't hear nothing from you. In that corner, you there.
Me just listen to her about.
Then I send you send you over in that corner, you over there.
Hey, Elaine, you talk about me buy it too, so you better be careful.
No, Marcia! No, Marcia! No! Security!
All right, now back in your corner. Next. And Elaine, don't come up here come talk about nobody food again unless you present a plate.
Whoa.
I can, but
Please.
the right timing. I can, but
Once
the
you can't cook, you
right
can't cook.
timing.
Come on from work this evening, come rig up this. Don't play with me.
Me cook early.
We still want to see it, you can't show away.
Sure your food are finished.
Elaine, you always have all kind of excuses. No excuse not acceptable around here.
Right?
Alright? No, the next time. Okay, let this be a lesson to you. The next time you want to run up and get done up. And the next time, let me finish. Let me finish.
Yeah, what you say, Marcia? What you say?
Let me finish. Be quiet.
Yeah.
When big people are talk, shut up.
Yeah.
Me make she go on with herself, man. Me
my night tonight.
Because I first she go on.
That's
so
okay, my night tonight. I come, me I run out for you because you always.
go on so early while you try to take me space. So me I give you the time.
Elaine, you don't have any space over here. You don't have any space over here, sweetheart.
Your time. I have a lot of space.
Everybody have a space over here, sweetie. This is TamFam.
The floor, Marcia. The floor is your one tonight. Take it tonight. Take it.
No, you never have to give me comment.
No,
Have it.
Elaine, that's not an answer. Elaine, that's not an answer.
Elaine, you don't have to give me the floor. I took it.
Take the floor tonight.
You don't have to give it to me. I already took it.
And me give it to you, Marcia, because
No, sweetheart, I snatched that shit.
me give it to you.
I snatched that shit.
give it.
You ain't gotta give me nothing. Okay?
Run with yourself.
So what
Run
I'm
with
saying,
yourself.
okay, sweetheart, what I'm saying to you is the next time you decide to run up and get done up and blaze up over here like fire, remember, see you meet water. A water out fire. No, but that means that you blaze like fire. So if you blaze like fire, you out yourself. You say you out yourself. Raga, she run come over here and me tell her say she blaze like fire, then she go bring up water. That means she out herself.
Yeah, out on myself. Never.
So the next time you come for me, next time you think about coming for me, don't.
Come here.
Well, Elaine, wait, Raga, somebody say Elaine 0, Marcia 10. I'm dead.
Yeah, me see it. Elaine 0. Me not Elaine, me I keep it 100. Fear is fear, you know. Cause when Marcia they get beaten, what do you do? We don't know.
I beat me get over here.
Elaine, what do you know? Wait, for those of you who don't know, from Jamaica days, I used to have this thing called Cuss Out, clash. Just a fun clash. Punchline and a throwback thing and whatever. And it was hilarious in Jamaica days come up. So it has been a feature in a Mixup and Blenda show them or whatever. But we don't do serious war. Right? We don't do, I just want to know, we don't do serious war. But we do cuss out and people bring it. And Marcia get shell out what day. I would tell Marcia, I said, no, Marcia, you shell out. You think weak and thing. You never have no punchline.
Yes, they shell me, yeah.
Right, Elaine, and me and you beat her. Elaine, me not tell no lie, you know, tonight you get a whoppings doing. We have to be fair. Yeah.
So Elaine, take your beat now and go and pick up Think Fly and go your bed.
No, Elaine, she deal with your billions tonight. In the end, she say if you take your beat now, go pick up your vibrator, Pink Flight, and go on.
You know what I'm saying?
What?
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? She and NC. Them jealous of Pink Floyd. Them never come on one night and no mention my man name.
That's not true. That's not true.
She and the NC, them never come on and mention your vibrator.
No, that's a lie. Cause we can't get good live body. So what we are doing with dead body?
Oh my God! Oh, so!
Marcia, you have. You
Hold on.
Dead body.
So look here. Which part?
Well, I don't have dead body.
Are you have one big old dead body in your house, man?
Listen to me. You have a man who walk and attack, and his body still deader than for Pink Floyd. Pink Floyd body no dead.
Tell the chatter who. Come man say good as life is a own book. Talk up the things them.
Pink Floyd ever stiff.
All right, me say talk up the things them. Yeah, Pink Floyd ever stiff cause Pink Floyd fake.
You have the live man and film body dead.
And that's why that's your fruits they're rotten because on Pink Floyd they have go ahead. No man know why you're rotten fruits. All the dead body man then don't even want you. Go ahead.
All right. It's all right. Then we have to declare a winner, right? You know. So we have go to the chat, right? You know, one thing, all right. So who win the clash? Chat. Come talk up. Who win the clash? Let me say who win the clash. No. All right. I'm here the ref. Marcia. Night tonight. Marcia. Hurricane Marcia take it. Marcia win, but Elaine still boss. Marcia. What Christina said for Elaine? All right, okay. Angela Benjamin Mooney said, "A true Elaine a beard." Yeah, you know, say, but I mean, narrated. Mooney narrated, you know.
So watch out, Woody and David McNeil. David said, Marcia, when the war and are full, tonight a fair night are full.
Yeah, no, man, Elaine, we have to give credit where credit. When Marcia flap and thing, we batter that down.
Not true.
Yeah. So
I say, good God, I bet never do me so.
No, Elaine, you step out strong, you know, but you never know me I bring her up. I look like when I bring her up, and you hear Marcia come out strong. Elaine, you just quiet down and quat, you know.
Elaine such a friend, I can't manage.
Elaine, me just say you look over his me
Hey, brother, me know say Elaine frightened, you know, because Elaine no shot, Elaine never can last him right.
Wait, Master, what you say, Elaine? What you say?
Because me I said the liquor rich gone on.
So Elaine, when you hear a big heavy voice come out and move to you, yeah.
Me could have do a little bit better, you know, but the way me fright.
Hey, Elaine. At least you tell the truth, Raga. Just when me hear Elaine shut up, me say, no, you know, some friend and Kingston, me press button.
No, no, Marcia, when you reload to them, just say, Elaine, quiet over there. You know? So when me listen to me, I say, me no want come out by, I see them, but Elaine, quiet, man. And then on top of that, a punchline after punchline, it's like,
Mr. Raga,
yeah.
I could do little even, me could have be even over 60. God know me that 40 had. Me could have do better, but the fright one, the fright, when you God know, I swear.
Hey, me love over here, see Raga. Raga, when them beat me, me love over here, me not talk over here, me love over here.
God, Elaine, you kill me. Elaine said, Raga, my fright.
As why you say no disrespect thing, me not mind it. You understand what me say? But me fright man, me all one night time, me near killer me about me clue.
So it's Elaine, you have a kind of creep out with a car there, because Elaine, when me say you not say nothing, so I really want to start beating you today, Elaine, then Elaine, I will have to say about that here, me need a kid.
Master! Hey, before I so nice, one more time.
Oh, God, no. Mr. Elaine, I never happened, Marcia does a punch and a punch and a punch and a punch.
Mr. Raga, when she drop me still a punch her.
Yeah.
Nah, it's not man. Raga, me not tell no lie. I first me ever frightened, saying I'm a lie.
Well, and then, no, it look like you get taunted a little bit, Here, no. Yeah, no, man. My ear, now come with your little gymnastic for drag. May I make you talk tonight? Yeah, man. Make you
But Raga, look at that chat. Verbal expression.
we have Marcia. Well, Marcia. What you say, Elaine? What?
The way I'm frightened, me all attack crap.
Yeah, I can hear say some fooling. Yeah, you get thump in your face and thing.
Mr. Raga, I went to drop a girl, but still a thump in her back.
Yeah.
Raga ain't seen never frighten me so. God know. Look how Marcia frighten me.
Yeah, but when you attack, you never see when she say, Raga, bring me up. So,
You never see. Use the mouth too much.
Yeah. So when you eat your little element and you take your own sweet time and beat her, whatever. So, and then now, when she come in, she just come in like a raging bull. And all of a sudden, I hear people out of So, you hear me to myself, and I look where me and say, Jesus Christ, idiot, I get a beat me, not even word out there or whatever. And then, me go give a little opening and thing, and you could have even be, your voice be a little raised, Make she go on.
Elaine said, Mr. Turn on your camera, Elaine said, me need a kid.
Oh, God.
Oh, God, I tell you, over here, boy, I love you so still.
Yeah, so nice, no?
I'm tell you.
God, yeah.
Anyway, Raga, me and Jaybird have a wonderful time which night. We find each other.
I lie, wanna link up?
Yes, yeah, man.
Wait, when Jaybird did attack to she did still at Jamaica?
No. But remember, she tell you from last week, so she messaged me and no, me no reply.
Oh,
and remember,
okay.
me tell her, say, me no know what we do, and you teach me from step 1 to step 2, step 3.
Seen.
And me find her and link her.
Yeah.
And, yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Jaybird are good people, man. Man. See, so I'm glad on a link and thing. I love them something, Yeah.
Yeah.
Watch out. When you draw Norval, Norval is a man, him just listening, Norval not really. comment, I want to draw novel. The man say, no, him say the two ladies are good spirit and thing and whatever. You understand? So that is significant.
I feel like the people over here would think it's a real Cuss and a real Cuss now because she will come back and try me again. You know?
No. But people, no man, pretty much everybody who they have, who me see they are, well, in the chat, them know how thing work over here. So them, so them good right this and so. Oh, she are Elaine, I saw it go. Remember, so when me did run up my mouth. Oh, Elaine, remember when me did run up my mouth about Louis culture, she shell me out too, you know. Right? So, in the language of post, we post say. Remember we post say when cuss out clash and go and we post say. Remember post line. No one is safe. Okay. Not even Raga.
Everybody get beaten over here. Then me no remember people come over here and beat me, and them probably think say me now come back. No, so me not take that for nothing. Me get want to beat when me get over here.
Well on. Any of you ladies know what is the second motto of the TamFam? Yeah.
Thick skin and broad back.
A thick skin and broad back I do it. A thick skin and broad back I do it. So
easy for vex, no run no joke.
Don't run no joke with nobody over here, okay? Right. And if you get a beating, you take a beating.
Yeah. And Raga, the lady where did I talk to last night about the eating and the drinking and them something there. You see, something that one name juice me that when in did a talk before and like him I say I one plate him eat out and me respect him for that. You understand me? Man not to walk around and yam out of every plate.
Yes,
and you see,
wait, make you talk, Marcia. Go on. Yeah, go on.
And you see the lady to each his own, but even if me I do oral, me not eat round and nobody backyard.
Okay. Fat pum gold.
That's outside. You gone too far, man.
Yeah, you said that gone too far.
Backyard too far. Yeah, man. But everybody do what them like because that's what me say. If me have a son, what is a gay is a gay. Raga, me can't live him life. I him choose him life. But you see, if him a come here and my home, you can't bring him partner here.
Okay,
understand?
But you're not stop him from living life outside of your home.
No, him life and I'm my son that. And me love him same way because me bring him here, but him can't bring him thing in my place. You understand what me I say?
Boundaries.
Yes,
Boundaries. Okay.
Yeah.
Seeing. Why, but me give thanks when you do on a nice happy night, man. And again, me just want people know I don't do real war. If you come with real war, I'm gonna just take them over my way. I do the real war something over. Because sometimes some people hear the thing and it get, them get it twisted,
Right.
Yeah, I we say banter and joke and them something there and thing and sitting, all right? I saw the things, we're going to do enough more of that over Big Yard, all right? Over TamFam Yard, all right? Over TamFam Yard. So everybody...
Elaine, watch out, come here, come with pudding tomorrow night, so you go mad.
I love caramel pudding, you can't make that?
Me make anything, but a potato pudding me make because that's what was ordered.
Okay.
I'm gonna make ice cream. You go dead. I bet.
Don't buy your business. I could all buy the ice cream and cake.
But listen to what I'm saying to you though. It's gonna be on live. Raga, if you allow me, I'll do it while we're on the phone.
What? Yeah.
I will make the ice cream while we're on the phone so people can see.
No, those are the stuff I want to do.
Oh yeah, we'll do that. Maybe so let me see what time I get to them tomorrow. I have my ingredients already, so if me get to them early enough tomorrow, because I wanted to do it tonight, but because me that cook for the rest of a couple of days, can make a work back to back for the rest of a couple of days. So me they want to cook tonight. So tomorrow now, if depends on what time I come home. Yes, Elaine, you can tune in, because I go do it on the line. Make everybody see.
Ever tune in right through. And Marcia, one more thing me I ask if we do. You see when Raga take we down, just go and practice for your camera.
I will, but you know what me want you. Well, Elaine. But guess what? You see before me do that, thing that's up here now. Turn on yours. I have on clothes. We know say I have on clothes. Turn on the camera, Elaine.
Tomorrow me turn it
No,
on.
tonight. As somebody you want to ask. Raga, hold on. As somebody you want to ask.
Marcia, me can't flap myself because me done say me need a kid.
No,
All right.
but you put
All right,
on
no,
your clothes.
hold on. All right,
Need a kid.
You have enough time.
Alien, what she want you do? Because what she basically say is that you don't know how to name the camera. That's what say, you know.
Hold on, the Raga.
Hold on, Marcia, hold on. So what you can do is just turn on your camera and it not depend on you.
Exactly, because when me show me food, you don't see me.
Hold on, Marcia. Yeah, Alien, turn on the camera and it not depend on you. I could see if you can do that.
Don't ask somebody.
Hold on, Marcia. You chill no, man. Alien, turn on the camera.
We ain't no Raga.
Yeah.
Come to you.
All right.
Chat, you look here.
What happened to Marcia? You ain't not so much ears.
No, you see, that's why I don't want she talk because I know say you're going to use that as card. Me I talk to you, turn on the camera and it don't keep it on you.
She don't, but okay.
Elaine, it can't so long, you know.
Elaine, you ain't going to know. Go on in back in the car. No, we don't.
Marcia, Bill no man. Just Bill, man. Yeah,
all right,
Raga.
At least me never did I tell Raga say, but put me up and put me up. See me do it, that goodie.
Do what? See you do what?
Nice shot there.
No, we're not. Elaine, we're not see nothing. Elaine, what? Marcia, cool, no, man.
I just want to ask you something.
Elaine, we're not see nothing. Elaine, we're not see nothing. Elaine, you think so? We are see. Me I tell you, say we not see nothing. You not do it.
One more. Hold on.
Yeah, we are well on.
Raga, why should you guys talk? Can I ask you something? Why should you guys talk? We get time to ask somebody. Can I ask you something?
What that?
Don't me did come up and say everybody in the chat. Don't me did say me no know how to do it, Raga. I was up front.
Yeah, but Marcia, we could we're gonna come to that. Elaine, wagwan. Elaine, yeah, I bet if you talk to Elaine, so like you talk to Bev, man.
I'm not talking to my Bev. You me attack.
So what going? Then I why see, but see what now? We're not saying nothing, Elaine. Elaine, but see the shop here, see the shop here. We're not say fat. Elaine, you there beat Marcia, but
tonight on the year night, Elaine. Sorry.
Elaine, we're not say nothing, you know. I want to go on. Elaine, it's a beating tonight, man.
Boy, Elaine, at least when they admit it and say me don't know how to do it and they still never take me so long.
I never take you so long and you did have to hang up and...
No, I did not. I didn't. No, I didn't. The first night. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. And it still never take me so long, baby. Anyway, go practice, Elaine. Take your own advice.
Why, Elaine, man, I tell her I want to whap you back on you, you know. You
Tambourine.
You go tell her if you go practice and whatever, and then she go turn it around on you and then done you again, you know, Elaine. Me say every punch you counter punch and fling you ground, Elaine. Hush. Nah lie. I want to whap you up, Elaine. I want to brush you up wicked.
Why do you bet go revamp and come back here, Elaine?
You see what J Berg said? Y'all got my stomach hurting. I had to pull over. Yo, John, no, sir, Elaine, man, I lie. You run up and get done up in 990. You run up and get done up. You run up and get done up, Elaine, man, I lie. Yeah, the ANC line applied to you tonight because you run up wicked and get done up. Yeah. Yeah. Elaine, leave it alone. Here, leave it alone. I know you're a night tonight. Let me tell you, Elaine. Anything you do, you end up a dig deep.
Force me if you do things.
Yeah, you tell her, say what?
Yeah.
But you have to do like
she still force me
You have
to
to
turn
do
on
like
camera.
no
Turn
man,
on
do
camera.
because I want to flop you because you don't know
No, well on, do Elaine. The thing they done on the bill, you know, are you I tell her about she go practice and this and that. You a throw back a little late punch, you know, and then she counter punch again and see it, you know. You both, yo, see the shop, you see the shop, yeah.
Raga.
And then they want to see far to the chat, but see the shop, they look on the shop. Look.
We still away to see shop. Hey,
Raga, I do me na the shop. Me I say see the shop here.
Raga.
Well, Marcia, for a long time, Elaine do that, you know. Sometimes Elaine talk to me and I say, yeah, man, I see something on the top here and whatever, and this and that. And then if you do so and whatever and thing, and then sometimes she'll catch herself and say, right, me I go and like say, yeah, see what me I do, Raga. A long time Elaine do them sitting there, man.
Raga, Sham Sweetness say, on this day, December 17, 2025, Elaine got a proper beat.
Oh man, then whap up my friend. My friend get whap up tonight. My friend get whap up tonight.
Elaine.
Yeah.
Yo,
No, hold on. See somebody draw you out the two in a chat, you know, and them raise a good point. No, Elaine, man. Them say, then Elaine, oh, you feel naked in the shop.
Yes!
So I lie, tell Elaine, tell because you're not naked in the shop. So Elaine, you don't naked at all. You see, you give yourself Elaine, you can't kill yourself all night, you know.
Yo, for your listeners, them, you know, who not hear the part that hear the part, then I wonder, hear the part, then if you understand what me I say.
No, but hold on. But Elaine, you still so too, you know, you match out thing all the while and most people head, you know. You know, miss certain things, you know. You match out thing all the while and the next day you call and say, see that wonder what it says so and so. So you do it too. You do it too. And you're bad on it too when you work out some things and I match it too.
Yeah, man, me sit down and match out certain things good. But what me I say now, you see the warrior, love the warrior, me can't take it gang. The NC them love gang.
No, you have to you see, all right, you want to become a legend. You want to become a legend. You see when them gang you, you see if you can't done any one of them and whatever this and that.
Just pick a person.
Oh, you mean, man? No, man, if y'all beat the gang, man, or if y'all pick one, like when my brethren weather, when him teach me for fight, him say when a whole heap of people are fight you, don't try fight all of them. Him say grab the baddest one and
one.
Yeah,
Elaine, they say for ramping chop you have where you're naked in.
No, tell me why you tell me, right?
No, so what me I say, if the ANC them gang you up and whatever, you see if you cannot shell them out, man, and whatever. Oh, what that when it reach legendary status in a TamFam and thing, everybody would have talk about. You remember when when the whole of the ANC them gang up on Elaine shell them out? Yeah. I saw it today, so no worry yourself, man, you know. Life no fear, you know. Yeah, I don't find life no fear aliens. So I know what you like. Sometimes some things come at you where you not like, and you have to deal with it, no.
You win some, you lose some, right?
Yeah, you have to deal with it, you know. So I don't want from what they talk like say, you know, like the ANC them have your ticket, you know. You're not afraid of them, you know.
Me not afraid of them, but just to me not used to the gang thing.
Nah, man, you can't hold your own, man. You can't hold your own. Let me tell you, I said the one where you have to watch. Thus far with the ANC, to me, the one where the
Java?
Nah, man.
Oh.
Antasha, Mama Ants.
Silent.
She had the silent killer, man. Me I tell her, man, Mama Ants, man. So you see, if you can shell out and Mama Ants come and you can find out two good cats for those. Put on, come in all line, you know, she bad, you know, she think fast and she quick-witted, you know. And she very smart and thing and whatever. But you see, if you can shell out Mama Ants, they must say Mama Ants are the leader, you know. You slap with the leader, you know, the rest of the group follow. Because first of all, Tambourine is no trip. Remember, see them catch her with second-hand boot, you know. So she you know, have nothing to worry about this with Tambourine, right? And she used to ride ag. Any woman who used to ride ag can't sparks come to you, okay? You start with Tambourine. And Tambourine can't war. Delmarine can't war. All right. Java, no, you'd have to be careful of Java, because I'm out pepper. Java have something with them. And Java a warrior. You see why Antasha will fight you and thumping on your face? Java will acid you. No, yeah. Java will acid you. Java will back a ice pick and then something because Java head no good. You understand? But you don't have to worry about Munchie. You can't shell out Munchie. You can't shell out Delmarine. We hit the Munchie mouth light doing now. And you know them gang you panting. Don't be surprised if Munchie start come out with something with them. I just want to so you know how the war would go here.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. So Munchie full of chat. You don't have to worry about Delmarine. Delmarine can't war. Right?
Yeah.
Me don't know about Chrissy yet. Milo, Empress Milo, she can't war. Right? Yeah, she ANC, she can't war. Naki B, she can't war. Naki B, no, you know, Naki B would do what Marcia used to do in her first time when she explained and thing or whatever. Naki B will come with them. So Naki B not a punchline. So the two way you have to worry about are Mama Ants. I'm not gonna lie, Mama Ants are gonna kill you with like all some. Mama Ants not gonna send you up on them something there, you know. Mama Ants are gonna come with, yeah, she gonna come with some kind of intellectual something or whatever will immediately just sound good and bad and just shell you out.
Yeah.
She bad pan them something there. So you can prepare for them, man. I know you can wrap them up, man. Just say no fear. And you have to find a way for use what people said to you. And you see what Marcia do? Our fundamentals are clashing that, you know. When somebody knock you with something and you counter punch half of what them knock you with, that but you know who did bad pan that? You know Puss, don't?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Puss bad pan that, man. Puss him lose couple class, but most of them him win and him just know for counter punch.
I know. Yes, I see a Black Cat clash. Me used to go and jar right now. Stop playing.
Yeah. You have it in you, man. You can't beat the ANC if them gang you, man. And you don't have to worry about Christina. Christina not on the punchline. She not on the punchline.
Okay.
All right.
I remember the lady from Jamaica, your friend, they were always have some nice story to share. Punchline as a big woman, you know.
Who that?
The one where they tell about the drunk argument with the drunk go pick out the panty.
Oh, no, man. No. She had the best of the best, man. Seki coming?
Yes.
No.
Seki coming. Yeah, man.
Hold on. In all my years of the radio, Seki are the best by far. Nobody no come close to Seki yet, man. Seki a legend, man. I want to tell you. Seki a Hall of Famer, man. Seki a Hall of Famer, man. He come to mix up, man. Seki a Hall of Famer. Seki thing depend on another level right there, no. And nobody can. Me, nobody touch Seki. Seki thing they way up here, so. Seki good, man. She still there Brownstone. Somebody asked about her. She still there Brownstone in her same time. She good, man. Well, what a sound there?
Raga, mind your business.
Bathroom, she the piss taker.
No, she never piss or whatever.
Me a beard. Don't go away. Give me a time for no.
It sound like she a beard for you, you know.
Because when me follow Uno at 12 o'clock tonight, me beard. I mean, I don't know.
She not easy. She just go and squeak. She was so.
Oh, you get how long me need a beard? I don't know.
You know.
So you can't stop walk and tell people say me no beard, Raga.
Well, you know if I soap up properly.
You can't stop walk and tell people say me no beard.
I'm saying, do you know how to soap up properly?
Proper.
Okay. Anyway, a shower water that are a pee.
Raga, you don't know how me that pistol trap me, man?
No, come here and say, you're okay if you're going to break it toilet.
That's true.
Yeah. All right, ladies, night. Bless up with 2 hours, all right?
Yeah, man.
Okay, cool.
All right, night.
All right, Elaine, what Elaine mute her? It look like Elaine mute her sitting, you know. Elaine.
Yeah?
All right, bless up yourself, your mama. All right, cool.
Yeah, man. Take care, TamFam.
Man. All right, cool. Well, no doubt in that one there, Marcia win the clash there, boy. When Elaine said, Raga, me did freed. Get me free. Me say, Elaine come out strong in attack of a thing for Marcia, whatever, when Elaine hear Marcia loud voice come out and whatever, Elaine what, Elaine quail up as we would have said, quail up like banana, like dry banana leaf over home sweet home lamp. Yeah. I saw Elaine quail up. No, that Elaine. It take a while before I could have like say something and then say, Elaine, I want to go on. You know, answer. You know, answer. Yeah, it shock take her and whatever, man. Elaine was humble. And Marcia start talking up a thing, only come when I call you and thing and for that, go around the corner and do whatever this and that and whatever. When somebody say that, if I answer, I say, I'm not going in the corner and we don't hear nothing from Elaine. Elaine get shelled on. No, remember, 376 I want them about for cut. But all I want to over here right now, make sure so I want to go over TamFam yard, over big yard, and just register over there. See, sign up over there. The one I want to go over right now again. So me I tell them a big thing, right? TamFam World. If you go tamfamworld.com, you see all of the site them. We have finished them. Them not finished yet, but if you go over Tambourine Radio.com, for example, I'll be a tune I play over there. If you go over outerorder.com, yeah, you can access a whole outer order show. If you can manage it, don't go over there, because that is the one site where, for obvious reasons, you have to be a subscriber for go over there because of the content. It's mature content, okay? But outside of that and thing, the real site, and they have Ragashanti.com, I work on that to me, I put up my content, them too, and whatever. But again, once you're a subscriber, you're going to have access to the exclusive content on these respective sites, because all of the site them have restricted content. But you don't have to be a subscriber. You can go over there right now and just sign up. And it's free. And you get access to the sites them anyway, outside of the later on restrictive content. So I want to go over there because we're going to have events and activities over there. And we're going to run lives over there where you don't have to worry about these things with them. Where the social media them are going with and them look at something away. TikTok are going with it, enough self and all them things they see. Oh, it's not on Facebook, Lisa. Again, you have to go to tamfamyard.com. It's TamFam Yard or TamFam Yard. It don't matter. Whichever one you're doing, I'm set that up so it go right there, okay? TamFam Yard, that easier to remember than TamFam Big Yard, but you still go to the same place, right? And sign up, right? Because over there, so we're going to go on with a bag of something, right? Over Big Yard. And again, if you're used to Facebook, you're going to be at home over there. It's the same principle. But make sure send them do it that way there, all right? Send friend requests, accept friend requests. You go in a group if you want. You have your own timeline. You have a newsfeed timeline called Inna the Yard. All kind of do. You have private message. You can send audio message. You can send video message privately and whatever. Yeah, the thing are go nice over there. And of course, once you go over there and think after a while, there's a community that go on. I can't tell you it's a bag of things that go on over there. You see all them little vibes that we are going and thing or whatever. Yeah, man, I want myself, man. And again, it's about entertainment phone, and things, see? It's about, producing content phone. So I want to go over there and sign up again. TamFam Yard, TamFam YAAD or TamFamYARD, right? If you go over there, boom, I'm going to just sign up. I tell you this thing, I got bill. And we're going to have a nice little community over there. We're going to have movie night. We're going to have concert. We're going to do everything over there. All right? So make sure someone go over there and think. See? Yeah, Christina, yesterday somebody did I say, the name Langika is a tamfambigyard.com because it's a big yard concept me I work with, And of course, it's a TamFam thing. So that is just two terms for me, you know, but it don't matter. If you go to tamfamyard.com, at the same thing. All right? Mocha forever, big up yourself, seeing? All right, cool. Thug chef, large up. Lano, I said, we are going to see Raga Asato. Jesus. Even me a try with her, you know. Yeah, man, I've been a try with Lano, you know, man, but you know, when somebody just broke out bad and that old time people say, nah, I'm not come back. I'm real Jamaican type that, you know. All she have no come back, you know. Proper Jamaican talk that, you know, man. You know, no come back. You understand? Similarly, I only Jamaican me here say, then I ready. Yeah, I talk about this already, but then I ready. Then I ready. I overlook a meds them. And I don't come back. I try work with Lanoy and thing and whatever, man, but a bad picking, you know. By the way, you hear me I say like, uno for drop asleep around Cookie Man stress? No, definitely. I ain't for drop asleep around Cavi? No, definitely. Lanoy is included here. I want to jump asleep around Lanoy. Because she a bad girl. Like Cavi and them. She just not calling or whatever. Lanoy and I see him thing with them. You hear me I tell you? Lanoy and I see him thing with Cavi. And what but me I see it, nothing no go, so whatever, man. All right, people. You know the thing going on. I'm gonna do some work, you know, still, you know, all right? Craig Time, big up yourself, you know. Shanae, what's up? Doreen, did you just join us tonight? No, I'm curious. Doreen, did you just join us tonight? I see you asking questions that suggest you just join us tonight, like you haven't been in the family. I know what's going on. Ain't Doreen? It look like. Oh, okay. Doreen, I will big up yourself, man. See, Doreen say, yeah. Welcome to TamFam, Doreen. I'm here Mondays to Thursdays at 6 p.m., you know, and it's a family over here, so things happen, and them have some continuity to them and things, see? So a whole heap of things happen, you know, so, you know, you have to be like a regular listener, watcher, you know, for kind of figure out what go on, you know, because there are things going to be said. Oh, you're in England, and I know it's difficult for you because of the late night thing, you know. For you because of the 5 hours ahead and things, see? Yeah, I'm going to start doing some day show for all them people, eh. Because enough people don't really do the night thing, you know. You know, because them just not up, you know. Seeing? All right, but bless up yourself, Doran. Welcome to the family and thing at TamFam, we say. And again, everybody over here, all on, and 300 I don't know what they asked before me leave. May I ask all on if you go over tamfamyard.com and sign up. Free sign up over there. tamfamyard.com and sign up. Let me see if you now go over there. Let me check. I check to see if anybody go over there. Because I can't check right now. I see. All right, let me see people that go over there. Wait, what is? Okay. May I look. Oh, well, I may have to put in this. Boom. 1 second. May I check something. And again, remember, if you are a subscriber or a super fan here on TikTok, just send me an email at admin@tamfamworld.com. Admin@tamfamworld.com. Because then I'm going to make you a TamFam premium member over there until the end of January. Right? I see yours, Dita. No worry, I see yours. And everybody who sent last night, I see them, right? Again, if you're a member at TamFam TV over YouTube, right? If you're a paid member supporter on TamFam TV over YouTube, or if you are a super fan over here on TikTok, for me, Ragashanti, or a subscriber over here at TikTok, send me an email at admin@tamfamworld.com. 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 You must tell me what your username is as a member on TamFam TV over YouTube, or as a super fan over here, or a subscriber over here. You have to tell me what your username is, because then I'm going to check it to confirm it. Right? And then I'm going to make you a premium member for TamFam over in a TamFam world, with access to the premium content on the different sites, okay? For example, over Big Yard, I think right now only premium members can form groups, right? So that is a privilege you get as a premium. But anybody can go. Everybody can go and watch the content over there and thing, and send friend requests and make friends and the whole works, all right? Bum 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 bum. The beep beep. Uh-oh. Beep 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 beep. Okay. 75 I don't know. 75 I don't know. Sent over since evening. And you see it, and everybody do it, you know, because we did reach almost 600 people since night and things. So anyway, we take time build it, you know. Okay. 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 All right, people, big up on yourself and thing and whatever. Me did hungry earlier on, but me not that hungry right now. Must be true, Marcia did show the food and thing or whatever. But me need something for drink at least, you know. Yes, Jenny, email me. admin@tamfamworld.com. Admin@tamfamworld.com. If anybody want to send me a text though about anything, don't send me text about this, you know, about TamFam World. But if anything else, just send it to 516-500-0210. 516-500-0210. 516-500-0210. All right? Blessings and respect. All right, people in that morals and thing, y'all take care of yourself now and thing. Cool? Blessings, cool. 6 o'clock tomorrow again, all right?